We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. And it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah.
LCD, you're looking at a man. Your man is a Jamaican and he goes by the name Javon Pinnock. And you know Javon Pinnock, he's wanted for the murder of Javon Jamison, aka Blingers. And you know Blingers was a Jamaican in the United States of America, law-abiding citizen who believed in the rule of law, and he wasn't doing anything illegal or inappropriate in America. And this man, because he feel like he can do anything and get away with it, killed this young man. So now that he's wanted, we want you, wherever you see him, please call 119, let the police know that he's wanted in New York, in Queens, for the murder of this young man. And so that they can extradite him, or if he put up any form of resistance, they can send him to departure alone. That would be justice. So we're appealing, we're begging you, please use your conscience, decency, ethics, and your humanity. Yes, we are a human family. We over at the Jamaica Young Police Channel say informer for live and gunman for dead. And we say that without no apologies. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so you know, welcome to the first installment of a groundbreaking 10-part series that delves deep into the explosive and blood-soaked history of the Waterford War. A conflict that saw bodies dropping left, right and center as egos clashed, alliances shattered, and the streets of Waterford ran red. At the heart of this saga are four key players: Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, Mikey Pelpa, that is Michael Lynch, Clinton Darling, a former police officer, and a shadowy figure known as Wimpy. So today you will hear the story like no other. A narrative pieced together from the confession of a man who walked the tightrope of the criminal underworld. A man who was a close friend of my cousin, Wayne, John Wayne Porter, a self-proclaimed corrosion and trusted ally of Vybz Kartel. This is a tale of betrayal, revenge, and the cold reality of life in the underworld. A tale that has remained untold until now. So if you want to hear the full uncensored truth, support the channel by joining our Patreon via the link in the description box. There you will gain access to this story in its raw and unfiltered entirety. The origin of bloodshed, a war begins. The stage was set for chaos in Waterford, St. Catherine, a community where survival often met choosing sides in a deadly game. The streets were ruled by factions like the Lynch Mob crew, a group hemmed by the enigmatic and ruthless Michael Pelpa and financed by his brother Kirk Lynch, whose philosophies of this is what the mob mean, money over bitches, was the crew mantra. So they say it has nothing, this man say it has nothing to do with no violence or no criminality. It was all about making money. You're going to hear it. So in this volatile mix, step a young and ambitious Vybz Kartel who brought not just his lyrical genius, but also a penchant for ruthlessness that would soon make him both feared and hated. In Waterford, Kartel, who had been struggling as a sufferer with barely a shirt to his name, was taken in by Mikey Pelpa. Pelpa clothed him, fed him, and gave him support he needed to rise. But loyalty is a rare currency in the underworld, and Kartel, armed with his cunning and desire for power, would eventually turn against those who had helped him. The first major fracture in this alliance came when Kartel accused Mikey Pelpa of stealing 5 of his guns, a move that escalated tensions to a boiling point. What followed was a calculated and brutal series of events orchestrated by Kartel, using trusted enforcers like JJ Nakis, Navarra Adjis, and Sci-Fi from the Klansman gang in Spanish Town, and others, and 2 other men. Kartel unleashed a wave of violence that saw 4 people killed one night. Among the casualties was Kirk Lynch, the financial backbone of the Lynch Mob crew. For Kartel, this wasn't just about stolen guns. It was about making a statement. By eliminating Kirk Lynch, Kartel struck at the heart of Mikey Pelpa's operation, sending a clear message that he was no longer a pawn but a king in his own right. Kartel's ambition didn't stop at Waterford. He brought Klansman Gang, one of Jamaica's most feared criminal organization from Spanish Town, into the mix, along with Courtney Stammer Terror Samuels. That's the man who introduced Popcorn to Vybz Kartel. The arrival marked a turning point in the war, as the involvement brought new level of violence and complexity to an already deadly conflict. Kartel's alliance with the Klansman gang was without its risk. In one shocking incident, Kartel ordered the killing of a Klansman Dan known as Daddy Vic, who was gunned down in his own house in Boston, Waterford. That's off Portland East. This betrayal sent ripples through the criminal underworld, cementing Kartel's reputation as a man who played by no one's rules but his own. The violence in Waterford wasn't just a product of a local rivalry. Figures like Senator Blake, a man hailing from Concrete Jungle, Kingston 12, where I'm from, played a pivotal role in importing the chaos to Waterford. Blake's involvement highlights the dark intersection of politics and crime in Jamaica, where powerful figures often use communities as battlegrounds for their own agendas. So by the year 2000, the relationship between Mikey Pelpa and Kartel had deteriorated beyond repair. Members of Pelpa's clique, enraged by Kartel's actions, wanted to kill him for violating one of their own. But in a surprising twist, it was Mikey Pelpa who stepped in to save Kartel's life, pleading for mercy on his behalf. This act of forgiveness would prove to be a fatal mistake. Rather than mending fences, Kartel saw it as an opportunity to consolidate his power. He continued his campaign of violence, systematically dismantling Pelpa's network while bolstering his own. So the man we know as Vybz Kartel wasn't always a towering figure of dancehall dominance. As a youth, Kartel was often a target of ridicule and bullying. Stories of Screechy and Scooby beating Kartel like a kicking stick, punching bag, paint a picture of a man who grew up fighting for respect. This background adds a layer of complexities to his rise, showing our boy who was once powerless became a man who wielded power with an iron fist. But Kartel rise came at a cost. His reputation as a man who betrayed those closest to him, whether it was Mikey, Pelpa, or members of the Klansman gang, created a long list of enemies. His actions left a trail of bodies and broken alliances, fueling the war that will engulf Waterford. So the Waterford War wasn't just a battle between Kartel and his rivals. It was a conflict that consumed an entire community. Families were torn apart, dreams were shattered, and the street became a graveyard for the young and ambitious. At the heart of it was a man who rose to power by any means necessary, leaving a legacy of both brilliance and bloodshed. So this is only the beginning. In the next installment of our 10-part series, we will dive deeper into the role of Lynch Mob Crew and how their dominance set the stage for the chaos that followed. You will hear the more untold stories, including how Kartel thirst of power led to some of the most shocking betrayals and brutal killings in Waterford's history. If you think you've heard it all, think again. Join our Patreon to gain exclusive access to the full series and uncover the secret that have remained buried until now. Stay tuned for part 2, the Lynch Mob Empire, Mikey Pelpa, Rise and Fall. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Yeah.
Yeah man, what go on man? I know so.
Man, you can see.
A Waterford.
Any type of youth.
Yeah man, me used to live at Waterford.
Waterford used to live 15.
Which part Waterford? Me used to live on this. Kunda them come a Waterford come see me now. For my party, Kunda used to live. That a Sean.
Bufford used to live, man.
No, me
right on Creta Creek Town, you see me?
Now
Portland West, so.
So I want to change up in. Cause when time me left there, when me there and them thing there, who come in and start name me place them beat Craig Town and all them something.
I say the name Craig Mill, you know.
At first, them called them all called Boston, then Third World. Remember them telling me that? I mean, I say, watch it.
Boston and Third World are two separate places.
Me know. Boston a Portland East.
Boston they close.
Closer
to Waterford High School.
Yeah, man.
And Third World more down to the terminus. But I don't really want to go in all that, but when I say yesterday, with a youth, I people talk about them part of life to the car. Yeah. And the Waterford from about 2002.
Oh, so okay, so you didn't know John Wayne?
Of course, I know Black John Wayne, brother. Good.
John Wayne, I'm a cousin, you know.
John Wayne used to par. And John Wayne was so brother.
You know brother when a police?
No.
Yeah, me and John Wayne a cousin, man.
I remember say John Wayne used to be under Wimpy them link, you know. Snake. You see me? But when I say you see? This whole cartel thing, them man they come mash up Waterford that thing.
Oh, cartel?
Cartel person. What you mean, brother? When me youth agree Waterford, brother, I must say every night, every single entire week, you know, every little section of Waterford get tonight for themselves, you know. US Tuesdays, where the Wednesdays. You see me? I remember all I name for everyone I even them, but every section I could go Waterford, they divided basically like 7 little section. It wasn't based off on a young thing, brother. Because you used to have Bucktown, you used to have 21 Strong. You used to have down a cartel place. Then you used to have down on the mobs. Because Lynch Mob thing never start off being a gangster tourism thing in the dark.
Yeah.
You see me? Remember say, a Kirk Lynch really start mobs on a Mikey Pelpa. Out of all I brother, them was the third youngest. Patrick, Larry, Kirk, Terence, them the older than him, you see me? So the mobs think they start off at a level say, yo, the youth them want money, brother. Because the mob in a lynch mob can also say, a lynch, the family name come from him daddy era, lynch was the counselor.
Yeah.
You see me? So the lynch come off of him last time, and the mobs they stand for money over bitches. You see me?
Yeah.
So, you know, the man, them and Pelpa go school together, play under 17 together.
Which school you used to go?
Waterford High School, man.
Which year? So him used to go school with where artists and him, they want a coke out on him, where Buju Banton mash up on him thing there. Fabulous. Yeah.
No, man, Fabulous with all of them women.
Oh, okay. So you
Kartel all of them being man.
Because you want to know my sister used to go Waterford with Terror Fabulous.
I know Fabulous them, man, you see me? Fabulous with all of them, man. Fabulous roughly about 10 all of them, brother.
Yeah, man, Fabulous about 40. Fabulous about 49.
52, man.
Yeah, 50.
No, man, about 52.
No, man, I'm on 58, man, because my sister not reach 58.
Alright, so I'm saying about 10 older than me, because Pelpa be 42 now, can be 1 year older than me.
Yeah.
So if you never drop out, you see me? So really start the beef with Kartel and Pelpa, brother, is when Kartel started the bus. Remember, I said Lynch Maps bus Kartel, na brother. Because them tell the Lynch Maps you have Clean Splash. And he have a son named Teflon International, and he used to promote. So the whole of the karaoke them used to keep in a Portmore. He get sponsored by the Maps. Put Kartel on the show them. You see me? Give him a forward. Him if you come on a show where the Maps that keep on wait for the time never show, they tell him Starlink with Scratchy B.
Oh, that's right, the CD, brother.
Yeah, that's Scratchy B I selected from Gaza for me, you see me? And when the thing go on and him this thing, as all the man, him say the man never page him. But the man never page him, and I don't wait for like to say, oh, for do him nothing, because the man they have him as for them artists in the brother.
Yeah.
Coming back to the end of the castle, I rode with Pablo Escobar, Everlast, LDC. Was a group. You see me?
Yeah.
When the man have a page Kartel and make him know, say, yo, you can't do these things, so but I feel like say, through your boss, you're bigger than the thing, man, blah, blah, blah. Couple nights after them, tell the man go make link with Clans on a Spanish town, brother. Make JJ Nakis them and Navada Addis them can shoot up the event the other week. How Waterford kill four people.
Which event?
The event the mob seems to keep right on the HQ every Thursday night, brother.
Which part of Waterford that they shoot up?
Right across from which part Mikey Pelpa used to live on right high studio there, so right high by the basic school at the church. If you know Waterford must have Manners Road, Pelpa used to live on, you know.
Yeah.
That's when you come down Portland West at the last right hand turn off.
Where we carry back the truck.
You know, you can't carry back the truck, but like we carry go one place with them car, the community center there. You know, Waterford. That road they carry back right at the community center, car have a ball field in the community center. So team turn off, they carry back right back to the community center. The night when the night of the shooting, they go on them kill Kirk Lynch. One brother will come from country, a jerk chicken. The jerk chicken man's son. A 4 people dead, I remember the 4th person. All the people they get injured in an incident, you see me?
So Kartel bring Clansman them can come shoot at the man thing and kill all the man, brother?
Kartel bring Clansman coming out of the food, brother. Kill all Daddy Fig, kill Pintos, kill Lore, kill Dan. And them thing only for the food, and I realize, say, yo, different killing not gonna start in a brother. I'm gonna go fire shot pan the man way.
So I saw Mikey Pelpa now get involved in a criminality now.
So yeah, cause so the man bring and that kick off the whole thing. I mean, now I can say he was a saint in that.
But look here, Kartel said that say Mikey Pelpa the T5 gun from him, actually.
Thief come from Cartel, brother. The Cartel them get money from for buy gun at them time, the brother. Pelpa them money I spend on Cartel, no brother. Everything we talk about, Tanisha. And Tanisha Pelpa them the give Cartel and one girl in Aller, you know.
What's your name?
One slim girl, you know.
What's your name?
Aller.
Oh, I never shot it.
I never shorty. Come there when him start link with the moms, him already been known shorty already.
Mm-hmm.
You see me shot not to used to pardon on the moms, brother, cause shot never up to the mob standard, brother.
Oh, cause you see ugly.
Go check by the girl them used to rule on mobs, brother. Girl like Nayoka, girl like Keisha, them Crystal girls, them Champagne crew girls, them, brother. Them the girls can't par on the moms, brother. You see how shot you ugly, brother. Yeah. I go marry same flag you and me and tell you he just start a whole lot of feelings to me. Cause me watch everyone here black them in a youth. But me a youth as me tell you, me just lift a part of my life the back of my brother car. I'm glad to get to escape in a one way away. My jaw clean from me, brother. You see me? So we all in 2019 man, if I go too deep car. So all the certain things you would.
No,
I go and hold certain things to my chest, see me, brother.
Yeah, so you said the night when time them kill Kurt Lynch and them thing. I saw the war. I saw everything start.
So not that start the war, brother. Send him send money, no, brother. I'm gonna tell the old me know that we are fucking a youth. A little thing they go on and go to boom and half a little short term of 100 man a youth. I mean, in a cell with man. We have both on the killing in the dark and then no say. And there's someone come from in the dark. You name Dando Mattis in the dark, in there and on the dark.
Him a boast about it, say, in the company apps to kill people them?
Say him the up on the apps, brother. Him, JJ, Nakis, and father, Ajis, and two other youth, brother. But I remember the other two man, them name youth. Him call. But for him, all my talk, how I describe everything we go on, brother, I know say, I don't cap him, I cap. You see me? Call him catch crooks in a white chair, as I say. You see me?
Yeah.
And after a man named Dash record, brother, the man just start for that bag of wire shot in the party, youth. Then today, the man used to make a movie and make a thing there, brother. Cartel and a movie, the man make a thing there.
That's a movie with the man Kunda, the man youth there.
With that Kunda, Cow, Calva.
What to the movie there?
You know, 1 and 2 category about the place I'm there for a midnight movie to brother.
But me not see it online again.
But I say true. I say from back in them time YouTube was so big, so it never really get like push up online as I just mostly upon CD with the habit and distribute it to people. I don't want movie man them making everything.
So you still have them on them thing there?
You know, for the truth, no. Come last time I didn't I try to show a nigga one Vybz, I'm not the CD, I'm in up. After I come back, he might tell me so that me suppose it.
Yeah.
So I that kick off the war, brother. Cartel a real switch on my youth. Real switch on my youth.
So him attack the man them and the man them not even did even expect nothing like that to happen. Because them never in enough vibes.
The man never paid him enough vibes to him, none of that. I make him know say you can't switch. You can't style the thing, brother, because I say we are spending money upon your dog. But say you them very egotistical, brother. Very egotistical, as you mean. Even when the man start linking mobs, he with clans. You see me? Clans themselves make him know say you are daddy Vic. Or the man for Waterford, the man still pay Kesha Miller to allow them to kill daddy Vic, you know, brother.
So a cartel behind the death of Daddy Victor?
I mean, if a cartel instigate Daddy Vic murder, brother, everybody ought to phone out that. Everybody ought to phone out that, brother. A cartel and kill Daddy Vic, brother.
So a clansman again to kill him?
Yeah, clansman kill Daddy Vic, brother. Almost a clansman. Daddy Vic was clansman, brother. As you say now, as you always say, in a badness and loyalty, in a badness.
There's no honest criminal, man.
Money run badness in that.
A true, man. Which part of them they kill Daddy Vic? Which part of them they kill Daddy Vic again?
Same place at Boston and kill Daddy Vic in a house. In a house, them go kill him, brother.
And I true know the man, and that's why they able to come in his house.
Yeah, the man him walk right in him bedroom. Man, him know walk past him family, pan the front of go in his bedroom, go wake him up, Daddy.
So who did kill him?
You see me? When I know the shoot of them, we now have to tell us I know the exact shoot of them, brother. You see me? But based on all the thing play out and wait at my all the time, everybody knows say you are inside thing. Because them time the brother, the thing they tough. You see me? I think they tough dog.
But
ever they on the lookout alert. So they said man them way fear watch him head back.
And them set him up.
They said man them go kill him themselves. They said man they on the block, I said them all look out in all the ends. And them going to house go kill the man.
But one time I grew on them thing in the 80s, Boston was labeled like a labor community.
No really labor community never in a Waterford during them time in the West Waterford.
Me I talk about
earlier. Remember say take it back in after a while. Remember say they said the run under Era Lynch was a counselor for the whole of that era there. You see me? That's Mikey Pelpa, Daddy.
Oh, so I saw them start kill out the labor them down there and take over the place.
Yeah. The last labor counselor for run Waterford a Key Blake, and that's from Blue School in them time, Daddy.
Key Times.
Key Blake.
Oh, okay.
You see me? The man Kartel, them a wicked youth, brother. Evil, brother. I tell you, when I say Pelpa, them a not see anything, because you know, so once you're in the illicit world, and you do certain things are gonna pop up where you have to deal with it, see me?
So I wish that in time they kill the 4 people them at Waterford at
Kirklinch killing. Them time still the Waterford, so them time them most likely about 2001 general. If you remember good, because them time still live at Waterford straight. Come back early part of 2005 and cut again 2005 and cut 2005, brother. God bless you, visit Waterford, brother. God bless. You see it, because a whole heap of this thing go on, brother, in that period of time, brother. See him switching go on, man. Them have a police brother named Clinton Darling.
Yes, Cheese. You know, so between about less than a minute ago, me I asked about him. Cheese.
You see me? The police boy to go on with a bag of fuck with to that. You see me? Because them man they get a link for go foreign. 2 said Snake. Wimpy, Christopher Mackay. When him drop a foreign, him get a security work. But the man him get figured like private bodyguard thing. I want top druggies. You see me? I one day them left him at the yard with the man alone and the man kill the man, brother. Take you all that man drugs, take you all that man money.
Who kill the man?
No, Clinton Darling.
In America?
In America.
And kill the man and take the man drugs and money?
Yeah. Come back and find him own. Come back and find him own young and Jamaica named Darling boys at them man, the cow, Kunda them, Calva. At them man, they was for him gang. You see me?
But him and Kartel in a war one time too?
So I'm not telling you because that 4 gang end up in a place now because Wimpy they have film link where him run off the mobs, Clinton and Kartel.
So I wish Jugs man that Clinton that Cheese did kill. Cause you know Cheese them call him though, you know.
I don't know him name like that for car.
Oh, you know my Clinton darling.
Yeah, I know my Clinton.
Right.
I know him last time my darling because him have you to them. We told them, you know, good. Him be mother and Dana. Even the film son end up dead over
Portmore.
Over a plaza, they were right side of Archers there, so. You see, I know the youth will kill him. You know, the youth will dead back feet to Niger. Big thick youth from over Pig City.
So what them to kill him for him son for? True him son a bad man?
Yeah, he say him son a bad man, brother. I must say him daddy a bad man, brother. And the daddy for the whole family in him besides say him nah go foreign, brother. The daddy take everybody in, brother.
And the boy say him nah go foreign?
Aye.
Why him no want go foreign?
Brother, because you see, tell about badness daddy. Say badness it have a lower to it in a daddy. When you reach a level of badness now, everything kind of come to you easy, girl. Respect. And you see no matter your body in your hometown. So you left our next man hometown that you have no body in that. So enough man get used to that road where him no one left out of which part him no say yo. And him go from this.
So darling boy where them they kill the son there and them thing there. Where them they call him again? Cause him used to parade one youth from Rima.
Davino in him. I remember me name nickname no same that a little boy them left him in the youth. And I left for them boy a little boy still a push on a prank in the daddy.
Alright, suppose me tell you something between me and you. You know when me know Clinton darling and when me that station at Mapen, you know, when him come at Mapen, you know, one time me seen a police see him and him come upstairs in a barrack with him, just get left training school. And him come up and say, "What am Chris?" Me know say anytime somebody call me by my first name, or somebody will know me. I first me see him in my life, you know, and him know me from me I grow, you know. Cause me first youth from around this we join the police force, you know, and I saw everybody else after follow, you know. You understand? So which part of this drug is when it kill a foreign? Which part of the drug is come? A Jamaican?
Yeah man, really man come from man. I told me can't pick up a name right now daddy. But you ever hear the name Senator Blake?
Senator Blake? No, I never heard.
Alright, Senator Blake, you see? He was the original dance for Waterford that him carry the link from on the garden jungle come on Waterford. Because that was the original link where Waterford badness used to start from, from jungle, you know.
Yeah man, I know man. Because down the Kunda family come from. Kunda used to live on my party, and my party, NI party, but when we live on Cassandra way.
Yeah man, that's a shit, yeah man, that's a Sean man, I'm real name man.
Yeah man,
them that you grow up with brother, play ball with brother. Know them good. Kunda him best friend was I used to then call the marker you name again, Ball. You see me? Anyway, you see Kunda, you see Ball. You see me? Kunda did right on the back road. Where the OCL and the Michelle and the power care go back when I sat the churches. So. You see me? Ball's supposed to get gunshot around a plum tree. You see me?
So what? So darling, no. How man Kartel start war?
After they said power struggle for run Waterford, brother, Kartel feel like he was supposed to be the supreme. He was supposed to be one run the whole entire Waterford for himself.
But Kunda and Kartel was friends, so there's him switch but him go back to Kartel before him dead.
Kunda them not abide in city, my brother.
Them not a loyalty.
Them money not abide in city where them money loyalty can be bought. You see me come was Kunda was Maps first, you know.
And switch to Kartel.
And switch to Clinton, you know, then switch to Kartel, you know, brother. And he said him feel like I'll be the winning team, you know. And this a female loyalty there, brother.
Them the kind of criminal they, although there's no honest criminal still do, you know.
You know me? This a female loyalty there, any team you feel like I'll be the winning team, brother. Big man thing that is, I'm not go run in class, I tell you. I tell you don't take a talk about you know you would. Just hold my tongue, brother, I just take with my body, you see me?
True.
Nobody want to talk with them, brother, because them go. I say, when I say them make good music, you know, but them know the man behind the music, brother. You see me? Them go know the music, you see. One man in my life, me ever say, yo, I'm a done, and I'm Mikey Pelpa, brother. One man.
Yeah.
Because the man now come there and every day to the boy go kill this or kill that or do this. them and they all think about for make money.
So a cartel dry him out on them thing then?
I mean, a cartel kill the man, brother, dog. I start saying, be a man for the man, them, brother.
Just because the man, boy, is that evil boy still though, you know? You understand?
Cartel a wicked, brother, wicked man, brother. You see me? Even the original Russian, me I hear them talk about, brother.
Let me ask you. You know, how him name him walk with a limp on him? You know Lebanese?
Lebanese. So I remember the name of pick him up now.
Half Indian youth. I want a cartel killer. Him just come back from Barbados.
And they say, yo, you know the whole of them, I know Jim Chronic, I know Cuckoo. I know Frankie, I know the whole of the man from borderline, brother. All of the man, them, brother. I remember say our ball field was the was the ball field, right? On borderline, they say, you know, where
one call borderline.
Borderline at the borderline between with the train and have to go to Park. As I go on the train and Sterling, if you reach a Gregor Park.
You know, some about 3 times ever go down this way, them thing, ne?
You see me? This is the borderline. When you go down in a Waterford, when you pass the center and go right down to the end of the road there.
Yeah, man, on the dirt road.
You see me? Aye.
From a big tree.
You see me? Aye. You can't take a dirt road on a big tree, go, you can't walk. You must know one brother with him. How come I can't with a shot the name? Mr. Ria.
Yeah, man, Mr. Ria, Pan Cayman's drive, man. And Mr. Ria was the number one shop when we were growing, man.
Alright.
Hey,
you can't walk on Mr. Ria road too and go straight down.
Yeah, man, Cayman's drive, man.
Carry go straight back a borderline to see him with you.
Well, I mean, I think when we are growing up, them thing, them kind of them kind of name never in our lexicon and them thing, the borderline.
Yeah, you see it. When we are youth, man, with every man come and tell us in a war, never know what afford youth. Just check back before 2001, 2002, and so much money didn't know what afford.
Well, if you listen to your channel, you hear me tell about all in the 80s where we used to go all house party at Waterford and Edgewater and all them things. Now, nobody in trouble with them things.
Alright, I remember Frisco kid used to have all one thing we used to keep and give me that every time. When we left Waterford, brother, we walk from community to community, one big group of we have 3,000-4,000. Now we walk from Waterford go. And give me that walk, come back in, brother.
It free?
Yeah, man, big show, man. Every I don't remember for Christmas Eve or a Boxing Day, brother. So no that show the bus Tony Matarana, that show the bus Firelinks. Isn't it? Every big artist, it was Sting was the 25th, right?
Sting at 26, Boxing Day.
Alright. So it was Christmas Day. It was pre-Sting. Yes, you see, man, all who book for Sting. Everybody who book for Sting, they are left free to the show the night before for free, brother. And now do a full set of money, come get 1 5 minutes or one, you know?
Yeah, that's many people them nice and it, because them can't really afford for gas.
I'm making know say, yo, if you don't want to see the full performance, you know, say tomorrow night a Sting and the thing and you see me? Yeah, so we used to live youth. What about when Pata cook by ends, brother, a big pot, brother, 2, 3, 4 pot, brother. You see me, when we play football, the part we have in Mexico, brother, all 30 against 30, we can't play tournament.
Which part in the call of Waterford, Mexico? Which part name, sir?
Mexico, which part the community center there? Same pan Cayman's drive there.
So who give community all of them name and all them thing there?
We just come and hear the name, they just work with it, you know, daddy.
Because when I grew up, there was, just Portland West, Tercel way, Cassandra way, Portland. And,
you have the official name, them, but you don't
nobody never give no connotation to no criminal, no criminality. You know what I'm saying? Just like how when me come from a concrete jungle, my pathway name's Scarface pathway, you know.
Or even the Mexico thing, you know, it did more. I think it did more based off of football, so, you know, because the time I said no football, either play a Waterford in time,
yeah.
Under 12, under 14, under 17, you see me? So I think it did more based off of
football
still. You see me? Because myself, this was a spot for football when I used to grow up.
Yeah.
You see me? We used to live from Mexico. We used to go, we used to call a ball field again, where they were Boston. Because when we play football all night, we were playing a brother. We can start from 10 o'clock to 2 a.m. in a brother. 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. in a brother. We could comfortable to run off for about nothing in that.
Cartel mash up the place.
Cartel come fuck the place, brother. Fuck the place completely, brother. Case once man start dead, brother, nothing can talk over again in the daddy.
Cause life that gone in a man walk back life is better than thing.
Yeah, cause you know when you're a man knock 2 fish and sitting. You see it? A man he got your like come to me and say, yo, I wanna play football yesterday, I wanna do a fight today, you done that man. Next wise and then man he can look in himself and just say, yo, you don't know say I eat time moment 2 fish chew one. You see me? But when the Spanish town man himself come across, brother, them don't been have a culture of killing, brother. And them man dead. If you ever check a thing, nobody no kill clansman like clansman in a daddy.
That's true, man. For real, and I like that tell.
So them man is afraid for you them man could have just sit down and you cut your last dumpling and give him half.
And still kill him.
The man get up and fire shot in the head back same way, brother.
I like you tell, man. Them kill them friend, man. Them a play, man.
You see me? So as me tell you, they make a video and I say, oh, you got Pelpa thing with me, say Pelpa Joan, dog. You mean say Pelpa Joan, you I say no.
Him can't swim good enough.
Somebody told me a leak, brother. 3 times a week we are going to go out of if we not go a port in so we are go a 4 bro. We are going to go a China, brother.
On the run?
3 times a week. What you mean, brother? Someone tell you we go up and play football, you can run from Waterford go Hellshire, brother. Run from Waterford go 4 run. Run through gas for me. Take it back with them through so bar so go cross Simple and so bar go through gas for me. Catch a nagos in no time, brother. You see me? And run by Hellshire, brother. You see me? We have a little driver now, and we enter the beach and we don't see no car, the bus to come pick up now. Run come back, but run go early morning. We left out like say 5 o'clock, say no say by 6:30. All the female them we have to let you know you. And we now run left them in the daddy. You see me, because we have a football team, we have a netball team. If he said things not about the girl, I talk about the whole playboy thing. It wasn't like that, brother. I just said girl, I play netball, and I just said netball thing, them keep on mobile, brother. It was like, so I exploit a female, brother. I just more time, so the girl, them do them early morning training, them dip on the block, see me, because them know, say, your food that they are cook and, whole day with them on the block, you would.
But Mikey Pelpa, him rich and you understand what I'm saying?
I never him rich,
I'm big brother.
A Kirkins was a rich one, brother. You are go. Kirkins had the original chopper in daddy. Them on the chop NCB for millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, brother. Them on there was big manager in NCB, daddy.
Yeah. Oh, I in them killing night here, no?
I'm my first lynch for that.
You
see me?
And then the second one, I want where them say they with a girl and the man them come kill him. What name again?
The second one if you did. Now then they kill Antiaga. The one of the cousin. Then they kill Larry. No, Patrick.
Them him come to one party and them thing, and less than 5 minutes the man then come and kill him.
Yeah.
So why them just kill him?
So they said cartel thing it come off brother from the man them kill Kirk. The man on the side say the one and done in the daddy.
They want to kill off all of himself.
Yeah, because they don't see me by a man kill a brother and a daddy. No say war is a thing like always hot,
True.
You have period of time you have lonely night where you have when a man have to gather himself or a man have to take away back and wait till certain things boil up. But so for the man kill a brother. That's why they can't do in a brother as long as the man alive.
Yeah.
You see me? And as I say, Cartel are a fool, brother. No matter how many despise the man make here. Go on like me not give him that,
Him come like a silver fox, man.
Yeah, man, the man they live like evil, different people. The man they Man, they kill all him own mother, daddy. If him feel like say she's a threat to him, you know.
So what? So all man Clinton darling do kick off now.
I was gonna say,
Them in a friend, you know. The one of them in a same age group.
Yeah, him are the one who run everything.
Who Kartel?
Yes. I must say him kill all I must say him kill all I must say him kill all Mokili.
When kill Mokili for?
The same thing must say Mokili used to run Bucktown, you know. I must say one Dan. I'm not looking even at him one little Dan than one Dan Fina Waterford.
And him say him cause him and January in a walk around and a January and a man will do things same.
Isn't it?
So you know the youth of January kill Junior for my party.
Yeah. I know the man we kill back all January. I know when all January are dead back same way.
Yeah man, the police kill him man.
Isn't it? Isn't it? No when all
I did line up that time them kill him.
I went sneaky them are dead. Isn't it? You know where January they have all one character where could go in a reverse. Remember little thing brother. Remember every little thing that I just say go around them man. January not good use in that I just say half kill away.
No man, you can't be no good use anything and they kill a friend.
Listen, me show you advice, bro. You have kill away. Them kill a man unless him got a gun in the car. You might not have it for him at the time and then January him not rape nobody in the brother.
Yeah, but him kill Junior over gun when a Junior gun him use and kill Junior and take a Junior gun.
Isn't it? Jeremy steal them, see him when you smith them, see him. You know the whole of them man, brother. I'm not just a youth. I'm glad I'm get to slide out that thing before. But they don't really unspeakable still, isn't it? Try to come a point in your life, brother, where is either you run or you take press or you stand up for yourself, you know, brother. And enough man talk about bodies now and we like they feel like say at all costs I can't avoid badness. This is something you find yourself in a situation, brother. When you're back against the wall, just call one tiger and say him fuck you up.
Yeah.
Just not give the option for run. Because if you give the option for run, you can run first, no, brother. So they call him, brother.
Yeah, man, he might attack you.
He might fuck you, you see me? That did I reach me and my little friend, him come and I tell me some big side. And I say, oh, brother, we not pick the side, because when the money that's spending, brother, whenever that's spending on the money, So now when the fuck we start, when I say, oh, when I come tell you something, said I'm a fire shot per man in the brother.
I know, man, say, because you in the tech side now, you for dead.
Is it? Yeah. Is it me? So, if you want a period of time, brother, 4, 1, 2, or 1, 3, brother, man, that's a tough up them thing, I make them know, say, brother, man, I've been a lamb to my slaughter in a youth. Is it me? But me just realize, say, yo, some man really expects it for you, they steal a liar at all costs. Them sell out, brother, so you realize that if you start for a shot per man, you and him start sleeping on the said blood clot bed, brother. Can't say most of the pines I play a video game to the hours and night and two, but I could have 4 man upon the one bed cross with all, you see me?
Wow.
We're not allowed on it long, you say, you know the bed long,
yeah, man.
Cross with you, brother.
But I never experienced it at all.
Yeah, man, whatever the pines I play game to
the way I raise on them thing, I never depend on ends on them thing there, you know. Although my born and when I get out, come from Jonestown, concrete jungle, and used to live at Waterford. Me never, depend on ends, because I want me raise on them thing. All my parents them raise me.
I'm going to say, our ends wasn't, never based off on no badness.
I know,
It's just already close. Because we go somewhere, we get up in the morning, like all a regular Saturday morning,
Yeah.
We get up Saturday morning, we left out our yard 5 o'clock. We might not see back get until Sunday morning, brother. We there jam roll a little port here swim. We catch fish. Use the leaf them off for the mangrove tree them for salt. Because them tree them leaf have salt on them.
Yeah.
We catch a fish and we salt them and we put them on stone. Not even fire bread and we put them on stone and left until we done so we name them then that.
For real?
I think. So if man can name sushi.
Yeah.
So you left at what Jamaican and his son brothers from all say 9 o'clock and you don't see more than 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock bells. And they're well crispy, man. Well crispy. You see me? To start carry sing and we do it. You see it?
Yeah.
We never did no fire, brother. We used to have all, we used to get all fish net and we draw the net cross. Cause over this set now, you see the causeway kind of come in and kind of mix with the fresh water, so the water they kind of different.
Yeah.
And a really fresh water and a really salt water. So you have the two type of fish them in there, you understand? Yeah. So we should draw all the mesh cross, all the little pan. And we'll go on the top of the stream up the part up to the to causeway. Some of us have stick and sit and beat the water come down. Beat the water come down. So you know, so everything is in ground so you chop it down in a mesh, you see me, in a net. You see me? So you go two sides and you can push in some hole and take out some big mud fish. You see me, I'm not say the females them ever there on you. Ever there on the female them love for company, you can not this to female, we not treat them bad and leave them now here, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? A certain little man like Coco and call for them come for the fuckery. Start rape all the other and things. So them man have to get shoot out pan early, brother.
Oh, that's why they have to kill them?
Yeah. You see me, them man start fuck up something because them can get back in pan some money. For them don't allow them to do anything with them want to do, brother. That's why the man kill snake to brother. Because snake beat them for them something, brother. When them go out and fuck with them, not for them, brother. That's why Coco and Rush and them kill snake and fish tea. Yes, and a snake own gun kill him, daddy. A snake own gun kill him, brother. You see me? Even when they may look up on the whole incident, they want to rap out of me and say, you see the politician and the media fuck up. Which part is not Jamaica, you can see 5 gunmen dead. And the media report is 5 people get shot in a mass shooting, brother. A ball game. The ball game done long time when the man there get gunshot in the brother.
That's true.
The ball game done long time when the man there get gunshot. And everybody will get gunshot at them. You see 2 men will get injured, brother. You think if you like it, the man they dead, them could have get away. You see a big headshot, the man will dead get. So the next 2 men in which hospital with minor injury. If the man will want to kill them, the man will want to kill them, 2 men will get to them. That's how they shot you a ricochet and shot you a fly through catch the man, the brother.
You know them foot.
You see me? Man in this vlog, you know, for no, I mean, I have dead if on the spot for know how the whole thing play out in a daddy. Because some in a family, Lord, can't even know that. And I'm proud of this in a dog. But man, glad for your experience now, because you're a little game, it's a little ball game, can't catch me, daddy.
Where you say no man can't catch you in a peace business?
No, man, tell me I can't war, I can't kill nobody for you, but you tell me say me in a peace. If me and you work me in a peace, you over there in a peace, I'm over here in a peace. Two in a peace, in a peace, brother.
But the brother, when your man does on him thing there, in the done you so the boy kill him, you understand?
Isn't it? So the man's son not talking about it already.
Yeah, and
my have a link where at this so the man you used to do things to him and I say you. But you don't even know my glad say yo. Me end up have to slide out of that and take my bad call. At time it reach a point to not even worry about me enemy them like come about the man but they run day in day out. You see me? Come and say see enemy them, you can't see them and come brother.
So all cartel find out Mikey Pelpa did give Pala money for kill him.
I said the whole Pala thing now, to tell you the truth. You know, I don't know about that play there. I don't know about that play there. You see me? And it's hard for me to see Pelpa link with a labor right link.
No man, Pala on a labor right.
You see me? Oh, yeah, after a shop that I'm a labor, right?
Yeah. Then a cartel and shop than a friend, man.
Cartel all around, you know, with a cartel, a big thing, so I know all leave it to them, make him all come kill all, my boy and him from Tickley, when you know, them kill a poor more, and then again.
Oh, no puss?
No pussy, no, I leave it to them, make a cartel, them run investigation, and pussy and kill no pussy, no brother.
You have to understand, and I think they kill it. You see brother from Clansman and him, Stamatera, we have a plaza over there and them thing there. You understand? Him kill, him and Milanine, and them did kill Nuno Pussy night. Because Nuno Pussy in the club junk, you know. You hear?
Yeah, but the instigation come from Cartel because him and Nuno Pussy are fucking same girl.
What a girl name? What a girl name?
I say, I swear I don't remember. Because I said, a long time left out I think, you know, bro. I see that one or two niggas will call me and show me how vibes, you know, brother. But I have to invest, you know, every detail and everything.
Yeah. Boy, but that girl still do it, you know what I'm saying?
See?
Because all your big artists and a broke pocket man there with your woman. Because none of us never have nothing, you know though.
Badness, girl for gunman, you know, brother.
Oh,
girl for gunman mind, gunman, you know, brother.
Oh, okay. So that she not doing anything, you know, this cartel.
I know, your badness is name, brother, girl for gunman mind, gunman, daddy. You see me? I'm gonna say, yo, a cartel must not callous in the youth.
Me know, man.
If you listen to them on the top, woman, even know in America, I say the man they used to get in the brother.
That's true, man.
The man they resentful of woman in the brother. The man they could get no girl in the cat, black and ugly in the brother. One, because square mouth boot and one type black pants, you know, him start company black in up, and Mikey Pelpa start, but carry the man never shop in a Mikey Pelpa by the man they close in that.
Eh, and him kill him, him kill the man brother and them thing there.
Man, I give him to ask some things that people feel like a joke, brother. Brother, me and them man, they watching it even free. If you never say, yo, at the link, at the money, come to fuck a girl in a kinship. You see me? And next thing I used to fuck her sister, and he was like, him and one singer bring a look two girl them. Over one girl party in a fairy. Over Boston, I bought into their party and style in the dark.
Oh, Cartel?
And I said, oh, you mean him and singer bring her? They tell them I already Johnny P, brother. I'm just not even going to go into much detail, bro.
That are the artists?
Yeah. You see me? I might just them tell everything tough, dog. And ask me and ask you.
So you say a Pelpa big theme?
So you mean a Pelpa make him not dead, brother? Just squash that, brother. I never see him and make him say, yo, you see me? Yeah, man. From about 2000, dog. See, if you all are Jamaica right now, brother, Jamaica are better off, brother. I tell you.
Oh, and dangerous boy still do, you know. But him.
No, man. I think him know. And even if they know at that time, there's a car that time, at that time, they must sauce up in the regular Scooby them, little 6 screw them, kick up that in a party with them, brother. I'm not going to come and get a clone, you know. Go check your file, man. Ask much time.
Scooby kick him up?
Scooby them and Screechy them kick up that in a party, man. That's how we put them never, man. Brando. Little cousin. You hear about Brando?
Yeah, man, I hear about Brando. Which part where them used to kick him up, man?
Craig Weir. The said party where we used to live, man. More than one time, and more than 2 times, getting beat up, man, on the ends, man.
And he must suck it up.
If you take that, man. Carter was not bad, man. You know, people that talk about Carter. Carter was not bad, man. Even now, to today, Carter was instigator, brother. Carter, man, not bad, man.
But him kill a couple people himself. Him kill a couple people himself, you know that?
Yeah. But who they run when they do it?
I talk to all the man where him go upon, him and Cartel go upon a killing and them thing. After a killing, him say I saw him know say Cartel a baby. After I kill him,
farm it up himself, man.
Yeah, him want throw away the gun, and he must say, no man, you can't do that. If you throw away the gun, after when America where you just get guns so on and thing there.
Yeah, man not bad, man, brother. Until I said, no, father, I just them JJ, Nakis, them, sci-fi them. You see me at them, man, they give him strength, brother. Them, man, they make him feel like him bad, dog. You see me? But as me I say, you, the Pelpa, they make enough people about afford live better life. Me now say they not do things.
So why when him dead? Why when him dead the people them rejoice?
Brother, who rejoice? But say me tell you, I think they splitting about 4 of them 10, brother. The enemy them are rejoice when they're dead in a youth.
True.
I say when Jesus dead, people rejoice same when they're daddy.
True. But so Pelpa and Cheese and Darling never in a war and everything there.
They say it was one big alabaloo.
Everybody a war?
Everybody a war, because you are going at the instigation now. You see when Darling them kill, because Darling them kill Snake, you know. Kill Wimpy, you know.
Which one them kill him? A Waterford?
You know if them call it Clubhouse. You know the Clubhouse today. I said a bull squad there, so. Right back at the Clubhouse, them kill him, man. Him and Fish tea.
So why them kill him?
Because Russia and them and Coco them start link with Darling and the Sykes. You see me? And we never fuck with them for violate people from within the community because them leave up one girl when they in DJ. Come pretty blood clot girl used to go Waterford High School. Rape her and throw her from Angola.
Them kill her?
No, she never dead. You see, but them beat her up and rape her, throw her from Angola. So Snake find out about it and beat Coco and Russian. You see me? Beat them. So I saw Clinton get in him head now and I make him know say, yo, you know, kill her brother, I don't feel man a beat and ray.
So him as all police, him support raping?
I can say man support all kind of fuck you, brother. I remember say him have 2, him have a daughter named Deja, I have a stepdaughter named Peter Gay. You see me, nobody can spot near female and them in the brother. But him want other people to get violated in the brother.
And him support man raping an next man daughter.
Yeah, no, if I really support them, we raping her, we want to use that.
As a site, for kill Snake.
Yeah, for kill Snake, you see me? So when them go on with the killing now, for kill Snake in the brother, he make it look like say a lynch mobs them kill Snake in the dark.
So I saw the war turn up now.
So I saw the war turn, because everybody start to read, everybody now back and forth. You see me? Yeah, man. So the war start now back and forth with everybody. I pray everybody daddy. Not say, yo, Clinton and Kartel, brother. Them man, them have no limit to what them do, you know that. And I tell you, say, me go up now one hero with badness and rules, you know that.
So the two of them, so Darling and Kartel were at loggerhead.
Yeah, because the 2 of them want to be the ultimate done. 2 of them want to be the ultimate done, brother.
But Kartel outlast him, because him a fear enough, you know, say I drive Jitney and New York now though.
I know where I do a Friday, but I know say, yo, them Monday.
Can't come back.
If them, you know, they can't come back to Jamaica, brother, you're mad dog. They don't say that even family, we have a friend that live bush party, live him have him from one different state.
I'm not New York, I run bus.
You see me? Anyone certain people right now find social team there in New York, brother, I'm that dead man, brother.
Because I'm not him on the papers, you know.
Yes, I run him off, but I say, before the man go to New York, a police work, man take leave off, I go to New York, you know, brother. Ain't tell him I drive one yellow leaving, you know.
A short, big head boy and them thing there. Them boy, they are thieves still doing now when them are police, you know.
I tell you, brother, only for bribe them money take, brother. Even paper man, them money, they used to make pay for run information, brother. Yes, me.
I want corrupt boy, man.
All they say about him call machine man. I say name.
From Waltham?
Them man, them man they carry machine man come over Waterford, no brother.
Him they bring machine man come over there too?
What you mean? So when I tell them I find a portion of blood clot and rifle who can bust pan single waiting come up come build them.
I know saying they bring a whole heap of M16 come there, Clinton darling.
You see me? Some of them never good. Some of them are like some old thing where them they kind of take out certain things, so them have them at the armory sword camp road. The police force keep all gun on them saying they in T4 them think they can't come out of Waterford, brother. I only for little thing I know that I just feel for the last couple of years, I feel the last 20 years man, I'm just glad we get to grow up for a bit of age and for sister and this what it really is, brother. As I tell that even in the days when we involved, bro, whenever involved I pay an offense, daddy.
Yeah.
Just not say, yo, me make a friend him there, so we not have nowhere to go. You see more people them work hard to buy them little place and not for them not to pay off their mortgage yet, you know, I mean, nobody make a run a little place, no, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? But then they get really corrupt my youth to some point where some of this as he said, man, I'm a young him still on the reason you show them a thing and say, yo, youth, this is how we are facing daddy, and if the whole of we not stick together, we are going to dead off one money and you have to make money more, say, yo.
Yeah.
In a way, fucking around with them, you would in a car. If I kill one of them, you would care, two of them, you would care. If we not get two of them, you would have one place and kill them one time, it makes sense. You fuck with them and you would in a car, them and you would lie to them and they will stand up for one and lazy me. Say to the man, we sit down and reason for the level they say, yo. When some of them want to get rich on and I get rich, them man, they sell out, brother. You see me? Man missing for 2-3 days and I find out. And them on the enemy, they are party, them on the enemy, they are an uptown guy, but they can't they run them on there again, brother.
True.
You see me? They can't they run them on there again, so you see they gotta kill them or they gotta take away what's on and say, no, they ain't no idea. In a rich elevator, me this where it warrant me for killing them, you tell so better I just take them back before it reach a stage, you see me? You take them back, brother. Some day I'm see me out live whole heap of them dog, whole heap of them see me out live youth. Man are richer than me, man have much things, man are and them rat now for them born white as me. Still they are going battle with life, but better they are battle with life, money I live fast and dead young, you see me.
True. So all of the lynch them dead now?
I think Larry's supposed to still alive. Sully supposed to still alive.
Yeah.
You see me? Them two are supposed to still alive, brother. But even T-Dog come from foreign one day. Dead in less than 2 months. They are prisoner foreign. Get deep.
That's a Mikey Pelpa brother?
Yeah, it's a Pelpa fella. You see me? He was a real G out of all of them.
And him dead?
You come back in a Waterford and feel like they said all type of badness for the lynch and we start ultimate say, brother. You say come back and talk about who can sell weed in a Waterford from who can sell weed. You see me? Go up on a black one day and the man just wait him up, brother.
So after him get deported, less than 2 months him come from him get deported and come back and him dead? Yeah
man, less than 2 months man. Terrence Lynch. Suppose you can dig up all the file because I don't remember the exact one I say recently. If not last year or year before last, recently. Recent.
I'm a madman them man. Them don't understand themselves.
All of them man, when they mind their Waterford, brother, they mind out. When they mind to walk with gun now, yes, no time.
Them not left them gun?
The man to walk with gun now, yes, no time.
Oh, them walk with this in them hand?
In them hand. You go Intratech 9, them on the walk with, brother. Never yet talk.
So people not call police on them?
Bro.
Police them corrupt.
Scheme badness different now, you. I make a Waterford police station, brother, but the Jeep we drive out now, we get a phone call, then we have a want a radio we have in the brother, we don't turn on your TV if you watch cable. The radio broadcast I come over through the cable. You know, all the cable lines start pick up the radio broadcast and the radio feed them like that.
The police radio?
Yeah. I have to tune in on the channel, hear everything with them at talk, daddy. The thing they I take you, the thing they tough, man, brother.
Yeah.
I talk about infrared goggles, brother. Night vision goggles, brother. How much different binoculars, everything.
That's I think them Pelpa bring in their place.
Yeah, man. They have everything, daddy.
So but no foreign in Berry, man.
I'm saying something the truth, man. No fucking Berry. Most likely anybody come back here and can never have no papers to go in America. That's them that forgot Cuba, Bahamas, you know.
No man, up here in Berry, man, can never come back to Jamaica.
You see me? Man, I know. Because them telling me, as me tell when Pelpa did, man, already been left for them see it. I'm going to tell you the badness thing. As long as some people live it, and you want to talk about the government, it's on the government that but the government can't not go crime in the brother. Jamaica people love gunman in the brother.
That's true, man. I don't lie that tell you.
It's a culture thing. Uncle tell them love gunman and when a gunman wait up somebody to feed him.
True.
And them now go to the police to go wait up by the gunman.
No, them want to do themselves. Yeah, man.
They go to one next gunman to get to the gunman then the brother. Until the culture and the mindset change, brother, there's nothing with the government can do. I feel like say when I go in my community, everybody know what is step of them in our community, brother.
Everybody know that.
Everybody know what is step of them, daddy. But the police not there, yeah, they have to say everything we have in it, brother. No, Jamaica, we are secret in the youth. This is a cultural thing. You see it? And the culture gets so toxic, I know where it stop hide, brother. It stop hide. That's something that clear, now in every song. Every artist about all the same. I mean, I say, yo, look an artist about Jamaica and tell me if Jamaica and a law-abiding, God-fearing place, bro.
Criminal's paradise, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, brother.
Jamaica a criminal paradise, man.
You see me? I don't say things set you, things fuck up, brother. I tell you, it's a part of my life, you too. I'm going to look back. Yeah, one of a few things in my life I'm regret you, but I feel like I do nothing with the hand call for.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't tell you, I can't be a lamb to the slaughter, you. Can't be a lamb to the slaughter, I tell you. It makes sense to get up and call police after a mandate to come investigate, crazy. A 5 year now, my father didn't know you.
Who killed your father?
Nothing. I'm brother than called Billy Jean.
A Waterford?
Yeah.
So where him there?
Him dead, man.
No.
Him dead, man. But our different story for a different time still, isn't it?
People not believe in our system. Because our system not work.
The system not work for your daddy. You see me, because when it just happened, I give man and the whole information to them and say, yeah, I'm going to tell them some things that would incriminate all between about, you see. We need to take my incrimination for them say, oh, I'm going to seek justice for my father and brother.
So why me kill your father, bro?
Brother, big little, my father never did like purposefully, to a thing to clear. Father said the wrong spot at the wrong time, and man was come fire back our shot in the brother. Kill who them come for kill and kill all my father, see them in the
That's why I ask you, why him kill your father?
I just say at the wrong spot at the wrong time, because the man didn't come for. He may not be to see me, but my father said they near that man, they would shut a fire. So shut a fly through my daddy see me, you see me?
Oh.
My whole part to my father.
So when them kill your father and them thing then? 5 years ago them kill him. Which part of Waterford them kill him?
Right at Craig Town, man. When they shoot him, they go where the 5 year old they get shot and 2 dead.
Yeah.
From that now, everything revealed as possible. If I do your research, I can know who me is and X, Y, Z, isn't me? Because nobody want to go in detail or certain things.
No, that's
for the reason we need a reason, simple reason, because When you're in the game no more, so it's not like me I'm not protect his it. But you don't know certain things.
So when you tell the police them and when you tell the police them say the man said the man kill your brother, what them do?
You know when they take the phone upon me and tell me say brother.
What him say?
Leave them the time. That the man look at me and tell me no brother.
Because you never the witness the murder, that's why.
Aye. But me get the information and I give them call. Me get the country and get the phone call which the next morning and you see me? They must show me vibes. I say, but them free for tax. And I say, yo, I'm not afraid of no man in the brother. As much as how many days I step again in the brother, I'm not afraid of no man. But my daddy would want me in another life. My daddy was the type of person there, so I do things the right way, you see me?
Yeah, and go to the police.
Yeah, man, give them all that information, man. Tell them who a phone, picture up on phone, and where. Brother, not come out there, brother. You see me? Not come out there, brother. 31st of July, 2019, brother.
I remember that guy.
Man, them murder my daddy, dog.
So when the boy find out you're your father, him link you?
Link what, man? Man, style, my brother.
What him say?
I said, message 3 man and the man link me, dog. Man, I said, alright, Billy G, now we're really good stuff. Because I feel like a true, man.
So wait.
I feel like a true.
So when you send message?
Little boy, for me in a youth. Little boy, for me in a youth.
So you send message 3 man, ask him why him kill your father?
And I say, you talking to style them, the brother. What kind of style them, come for kill one man, you shoot all 5 people, shoot all woman with our baby, and be things. What kind of style them, there?
What him say?
The man don't say back a word to me, dog. If you make a juvenile, I'm running my if you want to say you to my crew in the dog, you to my protecting the dog. Style me feeling, yo. Full time done. On around the place are different things, what different man around the thing.
That the boy say?
Yeah, I said around the stage, with everything good. You see me? Yeah, man. It's a phone call and you look up, I see you on the block, you see me? So I say, yeah, call me, I tell me, say, man, up on the block for brother. Call me, I tell me something different, you see me? Give back a phone call about 10 minutes after, and get a picture from my phone, and I said, that is it. You see me?
Them send him. So how long after that them send him to the departure lounge?
1 year after, man, almost a day, brother. Almost a day. My daddy did the 31st of July 2019, did the 30th of August 2020.
So what to the other boy then when you go with him?
The thing is that the other one, him now have no name. Come I cannot put more than come from.
So the people them not talk who them?
I'm say the people them we put no name to them because we cannot put more than come from. I see them but you know them I can't say Tom Brown or John Stroll because you know who. Like some import here, isn't it? Because that be an import team on my carry from Spanish Town, brother. Be Spanish Town, man, the man him carry come in that place there. The matter that killing the go and the killing they grieve me to a point where can't even know man I feel hold it in a daddy. Man I hold it a fucking a you because I say even if you take your route my mind I tell me for go. My criminal mind I'm used to operate and I just tell I just told me as me tell them I just draw myself out of that lifestyle and you see it? Because I know enough people instigate the thing with me and say all them instigated they go down in a you.
So who instigate that shoes?
See, I know I said, brother, here we go on, brother. I have a friend of mine going to school with dog. You see me? My first one is switch to in a youth. Start go uptown, start link road with Brando them in a dog.
Oh, Brando were dead?
No, Brando not dead. That's a wimpy little brother, wimpy dead, snake dead. You see me? But Brando school is alive, but him start link with them man and get a bus. Find a rich girl and girl can go a friend and bus him for a link with him start import care and sell care and things, you see me?
So him start get hype.
Some money upon him for buy one vehicle for them. You see me? Months and months and months I run after man them can't get the vehicle. Someone say, yo, run out of money, brother, because look like some style thing there upon you, see me? Can't run out back him on them money either. Can't. So when the man go to him daddy now, because big man, them in the dog. When they go to him daddy, make him daddy know, say, yo, like, your boy are moving a car, we give him a piece of food for the little business, we can't, the business can't go through, can't go come on, and I can't even know, say, yo, run out back money. The man daddy not more than trading man, them know, say, yo, anything in the brother.
Really?
Back gun for the man, them in the dog.
Him have license gun?
Which license gun, brother? Naturally, have some family come from TG.
Them a labor, right?
See me? Yeah. Back gun for the man, them, you see me? So I said, naturally, the man come for him daddy. My daddy end up dead in a jail. You see me? So I say, man, I go there and I see the youth in them and I go and I can't know nothing, brother.
That's how you want to set up the killing.
No, they want to take him on the money, brother. When the man come for the killing.
And him kill him man over him man money?
No. And him kill the man over him money.
No, me know say him responsible and him thing there.
Yeah, he never go and not kill him, but him go and kill him bother the man over the money, dog. So I saw the man him decide say them go wait him up. And him daddy, because him and him daddy go and say them want to style the man over them things.
Yeah, because him daddy back gun for the man them.
Aye. So him and him daddy know my daddy end up holding some other people on over the car. Damn, we pay this up, damn, every night, brother. You see, the man end up going for less than 3 days after, and the man and him daddy, the man fly out in a brother, man, see if you can daddy funeral, brother.
You don't think I'm father funeral?
No, brother, the man and big brother not fly out same time, left a place, brother, I know him not come back to Jamaica, dad.
So what them they know?
In the America, man.
What him name?
America. And know if they shoot, general.
What them call him?
I'm going to tell you, when I really want to go down the road, because I was going to say, if I do your investigation, you see, because I expose most of the link them. If I go back and just do that research, everything will come on, brother. Everything will come on, brother. Everything will come on.
Well, I'm sorry for you about your old man and them thing there. But I don't know it feel, me can't, my deepest sympathy to you and them thing. I don't know it feel for lose a parent in them way there, you know what I'm saying? Less
than a month after my daddy retired, but my daddy enjoyed like your first pension check it in a dad. Sure, they even know you would. I'm a wallet, you would, my wallet come here and tell them I could have do things, you would. I mean, I know how to play out now in coming and I say, I come out and skate, like I'm a Superman, you would.
Yeah.
But I could have make boy feed it, brother. I mean, I say, yo, my daddy would want that thing, you would. I say, shoot at them more and get to it, brother, the actual man, them way.
We're behind it.
We're there, you see me?
Well, Jamaica is really not a nice place.
Brother, I think they say people, them, brother. If most of them are trying to say things, I see my cuss and the government. I say, yo, you have all your youth at the foot of your yard, you see? I go school. You can't tell your youth to cut him here. You can't tell your youth to tie him shoes later. Carry himself a certain way. So, you will have 2 or 3 people in your yard. You can't deal with them, but you want to teach away a 40 people in a class.
So take care of your pitney.
You take care of everybody. I say, you don't see son head, you don't see son head, you don't see son mentality fucked up, bro. You see me come to say, we go to age, you know, where they see things different, dog. We start understand the world different, brother. You see me? Everything start from the yard. You know, an appearance in Jamaica, you know, an appearance. I peer corals you have down there, man. Corals now have pitney. Yeah, man. God bless you, 1 and 2 parents to me have you.
Yeah, man, we have morals and them things. Because Mama, me know Mama Waterford, they with the man and the daughter, they with the man and the 3 of them living in the same house. Me don't know how them do it. Eh?
Bro,
I talk about same place as Waterford. Me never know say them something could happen. Mother man there with the daughter too.
Yeah, man. Once you have money, brother, in Jamaica. Once you have money in Jamaica, once you have money in Jamaica, you can't wrong in a youth. You can't wrong. You see me? If he said Kartel thing, he said Kartel thing, sure not the one time the fucking justice system work.
Yeah, man.
The whole of Jamaica come out against us, say, you're free the blood clot. I say, even nowadays, when the PNP do everything to fight out blood clot all the way out of office. Because they know they should have prosecuted by the case.
Yeah, man.
And more evidence get over the years now with the case is even stronger than when they should have prosecuted the first time.
True.
Them fight out of blood clot office. Release.
But no, that's it. But you know, you're a youth to come from same place or what? Him and Kartel. He was one of them who travel with the man and go down with the money. You never hear me talk to him?
Listen on your blog them what and I swear. I don't never save it for watch it later. I save it watch it later and it was in my YouTube when I come save it more time I save it the same. I watch it the next time. I see more to that place. Currently I'm there to myself more I'm just made some good thing in you.
Yeah, man, because him even tell me and all them thing. They say Kartel now come a Waterford. Him gone up a Red Hills and all them thing there. Yeah, man, them carry down the money in a jacket in a march. $500,000 US. So that's why you have a TV station in New York where because the general manager for the station is a Jamaican brother. I want a Kartel. That's why him like Kartel and I get so much coverage in America.
Yeah, man, earplay, man,
money and jug and you understand, and the drug is brother.
Because I tell you, some money in Jamaica, money make everything.
Yeah, man, money, man. Yeah, man. $500,000 judge then get the 3 judge them. On Isaac Buchanan can't go give them on them thing there. So that's why.
Man. A big instigation go on, brother. A big instigation go on you. You see me? I lucky Paolo when she not dead in the youth.
Well, she have bodyguard around her and them thing. But right now, still the man might try to get a sniper. They might try to get a sniper for kill Kartel.
I just to who them. No, intense Kartel, is it? What you think say all termite must dead over there? What you think termite be after dead before Kartel come around?
Oh, because them don't want to kill Kartel.
Exactly.
But termite and thing then and black man a friend.
Yes, but Kartel pick Tesha Miller side.
Him switch man the man him switch because true black man weak now. Remember say the black man him say one time him did want to kill Tesha Miller, you know though.
Him just say Tesha first in the beginning. You see? Then when Tesha enter over to black man, him start say black man.
Yeah, but
then after the anti-gang, the anti-gang case, when you say black man, most of black man shows you them either dead or they are prison, him starts about Tesha.
But the brother when him Stammer Terror still doing, Stammer Terror, I him are the real clansman done, you know. Cause my brains, you know. You know him?
I know the name, but I don't know him like that.
Him our business over Waterford, man. Over Portmore there. Even the night, him have a lot, yeah, man. Yeah.
No, not Portmore Pines. The place where they went him, the place where they right to the trust there, so.
On the 3rd floor. And him mother was police and him thing. Him have a brother when a crab, him brother, police kill him brother, you know, and a whole heap of man him dead feet, you know. And enough people him killing, you know. All when him die prison in America, you know. Terror, you know, Stammer Terror, you know. Him a Batman, you know, so him stab for him Batman friend in a prison.
So Kartel and fish to dog.
I know that. Then me first tell the Jamaican people themselves, Vybz Kartel are real admiral, the man and brother. But you don't know.
Yeah, man, Kartel and fish to dog.
I know that long time. In the ball in tongue and them thing there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, post all, man, I couldn't look on them, sir. You understand what I'm saying? The picture them when me see with Kartel All that girl named Lisa Ipa and all them girl there. Yo, that's some
what they want to reason come from the team and them say you know so on really see things to bias size.
Yeah man, them can't think man.
Me I say if me a part 5 man, you see? And my 5 friend them can come out after a while and stop part me and say yo. And stop part me for that reason, yeah. Who is you on the outside?
Finna believe, yeah.
With them money, I say, I'm not true. I say, what can I breed enough that?
No man, them not a brain, them not a head man. Them not. Alright, when me tell the people them last year, you know, say Vybz Kartel and him brother, I'ma call all them brother name a batty man. You don't know the people them because them are just like what you say them say, oh, you say things because you want to get view. You understand? So in time the brother know where the politics what come out and say them I say, oh, so all along are the true. So I saw them stay, you understand what I'm saying? Once them like somebody.
Yeah man, them can't the rag man.
Yeah man.
I say, you remember say Kartel first come talk about freaky girl and I say, yo, what you think a freaky girl want? A freaky man, brother.
Well, if so that hey right, one of them Sean Storm still doing it. Them you know, so them come close to kill him the other day at Waterford.
You say you tell the man them catch him the right way, you can't even know you.
Lebanese the pan Portland was attack what the one I man them thing. Like, hey, you know say at 20 grand the man 20 grand US the man then get for kill Kartel, you know. And the man fly down, you know. You know, say I saw one of the man dead because apparently the man him get 20 grand from charge badness them. And him want to tell the man them say at 10, then the man them find out say at 20. And I saw man kill man already over his money, you know.
Charge badness my next set of pussy all them between you. But I feel like you them and Kartel, I'm not like them, they're not talk like them and them mash up the looks like we're parking and you.
Che. A jungle him come from, you know though.
You see me, not to say about, not to say what we say up mash up for my it's a jungle or Spanish shot them.
Yeah man, for real man.
What we say mash up for my youth. I say we all are going now, but they're not telling you, even if we go fire in the brother. You never over there, brother. Okay, me I tell you, 2 women grow. Come aboard, grow in our way, right? Yeah, ball and you. We got everyone put money in the brain, so find a ball, that's right, brother. And I got rated, and girl is took a effort, me never want to have a crew of girl. Anyway, me I go play a ball and things.
Yeah.
Them follow me, brother. So, you know, you go up and the man them see a crew again. When a man want to get to you, get them, I get to you, and you go to you, isn't it? So, you can't give me the inquiry. But if I'm going to know you, dog, you know, come from Portland.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I say, you man, mash up a thing, you and the man take your body, got to a point, and know where you think different. You know, you could be if you think, say, we are protect the place. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you know, you say you're police, but you supposed to know that police can't do everything in the brother.
No, man. Alright, between me and them thing, as me tell you, I'm born and growing in belly of beast, you know, and see everything. It's just that me is now, you see, it's like me now. Me is that a man biased in my thinking. Me can't think critical because I'm going to good school, you understand? From a small, my mother teach me for think. Yeah. So, you know, my brain never insulated from other information. You understand? It's just like how, alright, I'll show you now. Just like how you see PMP, them are telling people, them say, boy, nothing wrong with batty business, and man will say them born batty man, but because them love the party, them ride with them. All me know that couldn't fly with me and them things, because me have moral compass. You understand?
Look again, man, show you things. What you think say, we typically incursion go on. The long and short are typically incursion. What you think is typically incursion?
No, tell me now.
When Bruce Colin go to England, I tell him, say, I want to bat him on in him cabinet, brother.
Well, here now. Bruce Golding wasn't a labor writer. He was an opportunist. Bruce Gold, you understand? Bruce Golding make Jamaica reach now still, you know.
Bruce Golding a real leader, that's not general. I'm telling you, he's a real leader.
No, man.
It's when Siago go and fuckery. Bruce Golding burning what he do.
What kind of fuckery?
So what you think say? How you think say like how you think say enrich Dodos? Give much government contract.
No PMP, man.
Said Siago.
How where you get that from? See, when Dodo
Black brothers. PMP the inner power, yes.
No, listen. No, wait. Let me educate you on them thing there. When Siago was Prime Minister, Dodo was a little boy at got school.
Yeah, but I'm saying PNP the inner power.
Yeah. So
the NP for the area get contract with him get out pertaining to
on a Siaga, even the KPH when you get the contract I PNP them give it. Siaga have nothing to do with it. Just like how you have a thing. No man, you have a thing when you're bidding where man them submit and all of them something and
put the tender.
Yeah, you understand. That's how him get it. Look here, Siaga never like hold on.
Inside information. Inside information like we know with the other bid them involved because the tender process go through close bidding. You can't know where your competitor are bid, you know.
Yeah.
So if him win the contract, then him get inside information said that the man they bid $10, so bid $9.50. Where you think you get that information from?
Not from inside, man. I see him PMP them control it.
Come say you have committee and subcommittees where sit down and discuss these things, you know.
Alright, let me tell you this in case. Let me tell you now. Cause I tell you this as a man with the intelligence role and them thing there. Siaga is the man why Dudus is in a prison. Siaga will contribute to that. You understand? You see, let me tell you now, and everything orchestrated from America, along with Peter Phillips and them thing there. Because if Dudus is not Jamaica, Jamaica would be a labor right island, you know. You know that?
Yeah, man.
Because that's The only thing PMP good for create criminal. I tore away from my community. I joined some about and growing and concrete jungle. I'm go tore away from my age group left. Everybody dead from gunshot. I'm go one youth sick and dead as skeleton or he's a parrot really I got. I'm go think PMP know for do is create this criminal. Just look upon all.
And even when they match look command like I say everybody at them give say even when you listen to them I time for ever see him on one stage a campaign it.
No, him not do that.
Ever see him on the campaign you ever see the Liberal government a push up no bad man as no role model yet.
No, well like PMP do that. You know, so the two people them were dead down a KPH that year, Danville Palmer behind it. The same boy when I march at Bruce Go march at Baby Chump. Only thing PMP do and them thing them tell people.
Stick a pin right there so. Yeah, no one say big man thing general. I don't like nobody talk on the bad boy Donald Trump.
Why?
Brother, see a man come tell us say you have two gender marriages between a man and a woman.
Yeah.
You can't fight against a man like in America, brother. We are tell us say your man can't afford dog and junk.
I tell you this now, in case you don't know. That me subscribe my heart. I understand where you come from and them thing. But listen me, cause you have to understand the bigger picture. You see same party where Donald Trump represent, and them same one along with the Democrat, me call them Democrats, and them same one tear down something name, don't ask, don't tell. And start legalize Batman business in America. The same Republican.
In the military. Under George Bush.
Then me Virgin, you know, me tell you, I know when I went.
He's not the man. The party's not the man in there, bro.
Yeah, but look, no man, you have to understand, man. Donald Trump, in case you don't know, Donald Trump, you see, like, you say if Donald Trump win again, you say every black people born in America, you didn't know, say I fight black people have a fight in America. For when you I see them black people in America, why anybody can come and them pitney born and them are American. A black people fight and get that their amendment. You did in America.
You're the American, you know, I'm saying, because the presidency. Abraham Lincoln was what?
He was a Republican, but look here, Republican.
Okay.
Listen, you know, come here, educate, you know, as a brother. Republican Party then and the Democratic Party now. That's why when you see Barack Obama in a run for president, he got Abraham Lincoln statue. So nobody watch a party and them thing there. The party now.
That's what I'm just going to say. Party is not the man.
Yeah, that's why I tell you. All right, the reason why the Republican Party, why they are the minority in America, because them racist, them don't like black people, and them used to link the same Republican Party have today. Them same one, they were the Democrats. Even up to 1960s, at them same one. At them same one used to lynch our own people and cut off a black man genitals. So don't be fooled.
You can't use the sins of the father
No man. If you do not, alright. If you do not know your past, if you don't know your past, you're gonna make mistake and them thing. I say you learn from data. The same people them in the 60s. You know, in America, in case you don't know them thing there, black people always, the amount of wickedness with them do black people in America. You don't know, so them have all that concentration camp in America. You know about Black Wall Street? You ever hear about Black Wall Street in America?
You remember the Black Wall Street with them where they burn down much
okay, alright. And I see my American government give the man them turpentine ban for bomb black people them called jealousy. I see him party right now over 100 years and them hide it. When me come to America and find out that who you think why black people have any rights in this country? Is a fathead man from Jamaica named Marcus Garvey. And Marcus Garvey come to America, you know, and inspire the black people them to rise up, you know. Not in a violent way, you know, but rise up with their minds. That's why the people.
We don't know exactly this everything, but we see in a modern time right now, bro. Right in the modern times, based on the party line with the Democratic. Check even right now. Who kill Gaddafi?
No Barack Obama, man.
Exactly.
Tell me
one legislation that Barack Obama passed will benefit black people.
Them not do nothing for black people. None of them.
Donald Trump come get the first step back. You know much hundreds of thousands of black people get released, we get the excessive sentence.
No man, no. Hold on. That law, and Donald Trump signed it in. Is not Donald Trump give it to you? Democrats, the same Democrat them, and they you have to understand.
He could have vetoed and sent it back to Congress.
No, he couldn't veto it because it was veto proof. Veto proof means that both political party work with it. And the Democrat.
He was circumcised into the law. You know the law where Barack Obama signed it, General. Barack Obama come federalize gay marriage in a brother.
And Obama signed it and them thing. They court do it, but Barack Obama promote it. We can't deny that. But Barack Obama promote it.
You can't support a man like that. None at all, brother.
Yes, I know support, but you have to hold on. Let me set this up now and them thing in case you do not know. I mean, I tell you something now. You see same party where Donald Trump represent. You see after them lose the election 2020 to Joe Biden, you see everything we have to do with black people, all of the history them ban them both in America, in a for them state. It's illegal for you, even black artists, even the black girl, will deliver the speech when they might inaugurate Joe Biden, they ban her book. Anything we do with black people, and you know them, the same people.
And the book, and I mean, I think the book ban based off of the race, based off of the ideology they promote.
The book them. No, look here.
Child pornography and them stuff.
No, the book them and them ban it now have nothing to do with that. Them ban them book there and them thing there, but I saw them want to do it. Them put everybody. Them want to put. Cause a long time them want to, cause the book them, you know, with black people, where black people been through. They want to change the narrative and say black people benefit from slavery. You have to understand, in a state of Florida here too. You understand? So, look here. I can tell you this. I mean, I tell you, you see part where Donald Trump represent. When me eligible for vote in America, them you register, because George Bush is my president. Still love him and him thing there. Donald Trump is an American. Donald Trump a traitor. Once you with friend with the enemy, Russia, you can't be American.
No,
look here.
No. That's a propaganda.
No,
That's a propaganda. You see Russia?
Yeah, the man.
See Russia right now? You see Russia right now in the modern world? Russia should be the only country in the modern world right now where black people love.
Really?
Why you think say now no Russian speaking colony in the whole world? Why you think say no country in Africa no speak Russian? No country in Caribbean speak Russian?
No, because
no country in Asia no speak Russian. Why you think that is?
Alright, because the thing is that Russia enslaved them own people. You have to go back in history and see how much millions of them people dead to build Russia. Them enslaved the Ukrainian people them.
Brother, them think they're Western propaganda, bro.
Why?
The Chinese so black off of their own free will.
No, they never join it off of their own free will. You have to understand.
Brother, tell me which country in the world, you see? The America going now. You see? Militarily. And come on, and when they leave the country better off. Just tell us name one.
None, we not name none.
Exactly.
History
is written by the winners. Who you think win the Second World War? Who you think they make the world free right now from fascism? Who you think win the Second World War? You think America?
So who win it?
Russia win the Second World War.
Russia couldn't win the Second.
When Hitler decided to invade Russia, that break Hitler army.
No man, let me tell you. Remember, is when America dropped the nuclear bomb them on Japan.
Okay. Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah. But that even if the bomb never drop on Japan, you see, I think America resort to dropping it, and I even again for making people know that America is not. I don't know any area. The only nation ever for drop a nuclear weapon on a population.
Yes.
How much? And that never affect the Japanese military. The Japanese military already Japan to them do not even.
Yeah man, but right after them drop the bomb, them the Japanese them surrender, and I saw everything start.
Because the emperor surrender for saving people, and because it never affect Japan militarily.
Yes.
It never affect the military. The man surrender for saving population because
then a war, man.
Listen, war of rules. Even when America going to Syria, you see, in our day, when they try to overthrow Mubarak, you see, America destroys Syria with carpet bombing, indiscriminate bombing. Russia never go nowhere yet, and I think Russia could completely obliterate Ukraine already.
No man, if look here, Russia they like to do it and them thing because they were about to do it. Anyway, between me and them thing there, you know, so when you come on to America, me have to be biased on them thing there. But although I'm biased, I have to be truthful. You understand what I'm saying?
Most of who they America love America because they get the opportunity, you know, bro.
No, but look here,
appreciate where food that come from, you know.
Whether or not you want to believe it, if it was in America, you would not be on the phone right now talking with me. You'd just like the Cuban people them. America saved Jamaica from become Cuba. Okay?
Bro. I ask you a question right now again. You feel that Jamaica in a better position than Cuba right now?
In terms of what?
In terms of the society. We might have certain technological advantages,
No, but in terms of
financial advantage. But you see the type of society where Cuba is, Jamaica now produce the amount of doctor, them not produce the amount of skilled trade people, them not produce the amount of talent Russia.
Okay, but all right. Who import terrorism to Jamaica?
Terrorism based on what? For go against occupying force can't be terrorism.
No,
man. Call that free. In America, support
that thing. No, man. Listen what I'm saying, man. Who import terrorism to Jamaica? You talk about Cuba, man.
Yes, Michael Manley.
Okay. And who sent 2,500 young men to train in Cuba to come back and terrorize the Jamaican people?
You must say Michael Manley.
Okay. So
but whether the base off or no, because the thing that come from, you did have two opposing forces in the Cold War era right now. When you either choose capitalism or socialism.
Okay, all right. So look here.
So Manley aim was to fight against the American influence where they take over Jamaica.
I want in a long run when him destroy everything Jamaican people. In case you know not know, let me tell you this. When I grew up on them thing as a youth in a Jonestown was a middle class community. Whenever I have zinc fence at Jonestown, you know, it's concrete wall and thing there and we have concrete walls as fence. We don't have a zinc fence in a Jonestown. I just say belly eye beast. That's the other belly eye beast. That's how we criminality start. But I fed them up and Burry Boy. Michael Manley put them on stage. This is just like what you say. Them do the other day with Vybz Kartel and Stammer Terror, the head for Klansman, and Isaac Buchanan, and some Michael Manley used to use Burry Boy and fed them up. When me a little boy and parade them and tell people say them make in a central Kingston was a labor right community. Genocide happened there, sir. Them two men they do it along with them henchman. In a Payne Avenue, which was the high-rise building, them two men they do it along with police them. Because police used to commit crime along with bad men back then. FPM.
Come on, you still have police who are straight politically aligned. Man.
Yeah, man. The first time I say M16, a police me say I issue it at Jonestown. Barrington, Hamilton, and one named Big U. Two of them dead. Them man they used to just come and pick up youth, pick up General Starkey and other man, and then just drive and you hear a whole heap of shot in a down like bottom. And them come back and them tell you how much labor right them kill. You understand? Them time you have a thing when you're in PIC, that is Police Information Center. Them just tell us boy 5 people were killed in a Rima and them thing. And them seeing police and gunmen not kill them. But them say a gunman kill them. But a police week them go in and do it. And Michael
the police used to take up all man from one community care and one school let them off and make man kill them.
Then that's how them used to do. So PMP them used to
do. Sometimes, you see? You know, say you have like, say 5 youth then as a parent. And the next 4 way, now go on nothing. You see, because them not do nothing at all for them name now calling no brother. Nobody don't know say I fear you them, you know. See one way bad. Everybody are gonna know say I fear you with no coffee name and call no brother.
And that's a culture of Michael Manley impart to it. That's why we're at this junction at Jamaica. Why you think the white man now, Mark Golden, Baby Chum, just come out and endorse Batty business and them thing and them know say the same PMP them were born Batty man, them same man I vote for them because them no see it, them see the party as a sport. Them see politics as a sport.
Yeah, I just for this fun and games, bro.
Because them are dummy.
That's what they say, yo. I see me read the Bible in general. I mean, I read the Bible from a religious perspective, and I read from an intellectual perspective. The Bible says it's sexual immorality. Sexual immorality is the biggest and the most destructive sin we can have in our society.
Yeah, that's true. And whether
sexually immoral.
The thing is that with Donald Trump and them thing that Donald Trump I worst thing would happen to black people. In case you don't know about the Central Park 5 innocent black men with Donald Trump
it was an accusation and could check if could
no,
take it other way, man.
We're not even talking about the other them thing. We're talking about even recently him still a say man them. Although DNA and everything shows say man innocent, him still a say man them guilty.
All because left-wing media.
No man, Virgin, and on the left-wing media. It's out there where him say it even on facts. Him say it all the other day in a that's why them sue him. Him say it the other day during the when time them have the debate with him and Kamala Harris. That now have nothing to do with left-wing media and them thing there. You understand?
Push a narrative against Donald Trump with Donald Trump in you where them say the whole racist thing from. And I see the truth with black people is, you see black people, they don't like when people tell them the truth about themselves. America claims say the police in America, you see, kill black people at a disproportionate rate compared to white people. Based on American population, black people are like 11% of the population in America. If last time we check, they respond to like about 65% of the crime in general.
That's a lie that man.
Bro.
May I tell you that look here.
Black man.
Alright, hold on. Look here. Let me tell you something.
Should I raise people kill them as much as how black people kill black people?
White people kill themselves, but you know. And guess what again? Who you think cause that we black man kill them own self? You say if you as a black man, okay, if you as a black man, like how you are talking now, and you are telling the same black youth them say, look here, we're not killing no one of the all another race cigar prison. where white people control for them tell you when to work and them tell you what to do. But yet still, you know what, we even tell us, boy, when you kill an next black man, yourself you kill.
Look, pan black music compared to every other genre of music in the world.
Because you have to understand that is everything that is this designed to destroy us as a people. And we are the dominant people in our world.
Bro, you cannot make your slave masters them be the deity of your mind. You cannot constantly blame other people for your behavior. No matter where next man, you can't control the next man. Hold on, I'm not going to make it talk. Hold on, I'm not going to make it talk. Let's say this first. You cannot control what next man do. You know what you can't control?
What you do?
Oh, you choose to react to it. So if you know, say, you're going to work in a record company, you see, and I'm going to say, yo, do this type of song here and your boss. So you're going to decide, so you're going to take millions and corrupt the mind of your own black brothers and sisters because you want to be a millionaire. You're going to walk, let the millions them and try to free the minds of your black brothers and sisters. Look on Little Dirk right now. Little Dirk is one of the biggest rappers in America. So yes, you mean up right now? And people are going to blame the system, so the system will fight him. After King Van go rush the man for no reason at all, he rush the man, you know? I end up getting gunshot, you know? Looking at Chicago, looking at Detroit, looking at Houston, Texas. As a black man make money, he not choose to invest in the black people. He might try to exalt against him own black brothers and sisters. That's a cause of problem with black people. Them egotistical.
Okay, all right. Look for Master P. Look for Master P. 50 Cent and them man there. You saw them rule by themselves.
Them escape the toxicity.
Yes.
You see me, 50 Cent start off with a whole thing out, him realize it never serve him well.
Okay.
So he move away from it.
So him realize, him start read more.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is straight to the black man, he not try to elevate himself about he constantly want to blame other people. You can't live in one country right now. I mean, now so racism that exists in America on an individual level, you know, cause black people are the only people who don't feel like say race matters, you know. The Indian man stick to themselves, you know, brother. The Chinese stick to themselves, the Arab them stick to themselves, and the white man. Black people are the only race of people divided, you know, brother.
And black people are the only race of people love everybody and nobody don't love we.
Exactly. So you need to only thing, but you know, only man a black man alike. A black man.
Yeah, man. Alright. If you listen to my channel and them thing, you hear me say, in America, in time me have on my jewelry, I may walk. Me no feel no way when me see a white or a Spanish or a different race, man. But as me see a black man, me I say to myself, me I say, boy, I wonder if I told them I'll kill a black man.
Yeah.
You understand?
And I say, I'm saying, no, the brainwash education exists.
Yes, but you have to, alright.
You know the subliminal messages them exist, you see. But you as a person, as an individual, have to learn to elevate yourself above your circumstances. You can't constantly blame a next man for your circumstances.
That is true. But look on all this channel right now, where me have on them thing there. Why you think most Jamaican like it?
Because them don't like to critique themselves. Them don't like to see themselves in the mirror, bro.
Okay, and them like to hear the truth. Cause all me do is tell them the truth. Tell me everything where you hear me tell you about the PNP party. You see it materialize, manifest itself.
A real truth, bro.
Okay, alright, but yet still,
Black man are like that, brother.
People don't like to hear that. People don't like to hear that.
Go back to the Donald Trump again. When the man have come out and tell us, you see? The people that can cross the border illegally, you think it's a law-abiding citizen, a good upstanding peace citizen, are going to choose to come into the United States illegally?
Some of them say, but look here, me totally support them seal the border and them thing there. You understand? Because that's how so many Jamaicans were wanted and all them thing there. Come in America. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? But look here, I tell you again now, in case you do not know, rich people them control the government them, you know, people them where we vote for, you know. They are figureheads, you know, rich people them cater to, you know.
No government in the world, no country.
Yeah, man. Any government around look here, any government around the world in our country, them overthrow them. I kill them.
Where them kill Gaddafi? When them kill Gaddafi now, Libya have the highest literacy rate in the world, no brother. The lowest cost of living in the world.
No, man. Hey, look here. Them have it. You see, the reason why them kill Gaddafi are bad mind Gaddafi, you know. The people, you see, here, no, the people them are Libya, you know. Libya only place in the world, you know, where people them not pay tax, you know, and they pay everybody. You understand? But look here. If you yes, them have the most PhD in the world, but if you not corrupt, nobody can corrupt you. So that's why the Americans were able to find people for corrupt them in Libya for turn against their own government. And right now, liberty.
That's how they bring in the Jesus Testament. I say even when Jesus is dead, people rejoice. No matter no matter how much good they are in the world, brother, there's gonna be somebody there to oppose you.
All right, and you see the reason why. That's why you say America is a good country and a wicked country. But if you have to watch it, if you look at history, all of the country them that were at loggerheads with America, and then you become friends with them, you end up at lows. That's why North Korea no want nothing to do with them. So, look at Iraq. Same thing with Saddam Hussein, him end up dead. Same thing with you understand, with Gaddafi and everything like.
Yeah.
No, you can't. Actually, you can't. No, look here. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? I saw them stay on them thing there. Are some bad mind people them, and guess what? Them are real parasite them, you know.
People that say it in America, you know.
Yeah, man.
That say in America, they say God bless America and nowhere else.
Yeah, man. I parasite them, man. So I that them do them feed for other people like leech. So I saw them end up now.
Even the technological advantage of America have up. I really think say American and lead American industry. You think say world no nice top scientists in America, American.
No, man. Most of them come from India, Africa. You know, did you know that? Did you know that? Yeah. Did you know that right now? Yeah. Right now, in Africa, you know, so them have our internet system when I use Wi-Fi and them thing there.
Yeah, man.
And it faster than 5G. Yeah, but you know, I got hear all of them thing there. Everything you have to understand, you know. America,
them have to demonize other person to make themselves look good.
No, man. Hey, look here. I'm going to tell people all the while and them thing. The poorest people them in America. And the black people are white people. Black people just live in a cluster in a city them. And then put them there, you understand what I'm saying? But the poorest people them in America are white people.
I go long south, man. Go from my southern states.
No, may I ask if you did live in America one night?
No.
Yeah, but look here. Yeah, look here. You have some website like BitTube and all of them things. Them things are propaganda. You understand? And every website because it named .com or .net or .org mean to say a legitimate information. If you want,
I get to real people to my giant worker. So I meet some people who live in some place like Alabama and them place.
No, man. Hey, may I tell you, say, you have white people in America in 2024. Them not have electricity. Them not have running water. Enough people don't know that in Jamaica, you know. White people, you know.
You're a trap.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
One jump out them off and for 2 weeks straight.
Alright, sir. You see it. And guess what? One thing with them still doing, you know, you can't tell them on the election date, you know, because them know that. And a one party them have vote for. And you know, so them have third grade education. Them duns like bat. Republican them. Oh, so you know. You understand what I'm saying?
With all them sister, man.
Yeah, man. What? Yeah, man. Some of them do with all them mother too. And most and white, and guess what? At them eat me and you and them thing, there's immigrants who come here and do better and live better and them and drive good car. Them, you understand? Them now no teeth. Most of them want to join the military, but them can't pass the test. And me as an immigrant now, me come and me. Them, you know, that's why I see enough of them in a militia. Them a play soldier. Because in America, when you're in a military, you're like hero. Them treated different. You understand?
So as I say, we know that certain things exist in general, and like say me I turn a blind eye to things, you see me?
Yeah.
But you see corruption come like
corruption
come like when you get a canvas, you see, and you try to tear it. Okay, so for you need to put on a slit in it.
Yeah.
See how fast it tear. Watch a documentary about 3 to 4 years ago. The documentary make from 1986. As I say, you can't subvert a people who don't want to be subverted. America completely gets subverted. You know, say everything went normal in America now seem extreme. A man, yeah. Let's just say, for example, say everything when them say Donald Trump do, same grab the girl them and squeeze out them pussy and you know, in deal with man. That's a natural manly thing to do.
Yeah, but you have to learn you have to learn to respect people's rights, you know?
Yeah, well listen, we as you go for and say, yo, are we are the man to approach a woman? If I approach her and she reject she rebuff for approach, we just say, yo, she not the power with the pan, don't it? But you know, say you naturally if you can approach a woman and if she reject you, she just reject you, right?
And you accept it.
Yeah. In America now, if a man approach in America right now as a man and you reject him, you know say you can go to jail for 8 crimes.
What? How will you get that from?
8 crime. 8 crime. Not to reject it, but let's say a man a move fishy then I make him know say, your brother, I'm not depend where depend, just stay in your space, don't come invade my space and make a thing there. 8 crime, brother.
No, man. Look here. Virgin, listen what me I tell you. Not no go some man. I work with the federal government. Listen me, man. Just listen, man. Listen what me I tell you, man. One thing I will never do is lie to anyone. There's no truth to that. I work with the federal government. And when you work with the federal government, you have to do every year you have to do recertification about various things, including all of them same thing that we are talking. There's nothing like that. Let me tell you now how it go on. You have a thing when you have sexual harassment. You understand what I'm saying? The same thing when you talk about all them things. If a man working in my agency, see me like you know me although me very no go my office and them thing there. Because me the right on the base and them thing there. If me stay on some reason me in a lunchroom or a break room or somewhere and a man make any pass at me will stay and report him and them thing there and him lose him work. Just like that. Once him can prove it. So all of them things what them I tell you, them things are propaganda and lie, man. Don't make them fool you. May I tell you this between me and you, in case you don't know. Because nobody feel like say the reason why like me tell you why me not support Donald Trump. Donald Trump a liar. Donald Trump a 6 times him 5 for bank. Donald Trump look on all of the people them when they run Donald Trump. You have a thing when him loyalty, you know. Donald Trump is like Vybz Kartel, you know. He just use people and discard them. Michael Cohen used to they run him. That the man there the fixer. The man end up a prison for him. Everybody look here. Remember say Michael Cohen I man make Donald Trump get elected, you know. And I see him people them whenever they run Donald Trump from the get go. At them reaching a females in a car. Michael Cohen supposed to become him chief of staff in a White House, you know, or him press secretary, you know, cause man bright, you know. And when when end up him sideline the man, him no give man no post and low high man.
The Michael Cohen do make you end up in prison. What was the charges in go to prison for?
If you see him stand him go to prison for Donald Trump too.
Because they must say him make illicit payments on Donald Trump behalf, which is a Trump up case. People have non-disclosure. People sign non-disclosure agreement every single day in America. Fucking stab them. This is not a federal crime, you brother. Whether you're married or single, you know. Fucking stab me down is never a crime whether you're married or single, brother.
No, it's not that.
Adult woman. And the man use it as some kind of fixing in book. Them carry it some kind of accounting for the business.
You misinterpret the thing on them thing there. What happened on them thing there is that the woman him supposed to disclose it during the election and him never do it. Michael no man, the money when him pay, the hush up money and them thing. Remember say Mike, you have to understand, you know. It's like your brain insulated and them thing there. You have to learn to think critically. Look at all the people them that were about Donald Trump. The first man who endorsed Donald Trump, a man named Jeff Sessions. Where's Jeff Sessions now? Donald Trump does no.
only the prosecution for all them people left.
Then when Donald Trump was president, them prosecute Michael Cohen. When Jeff said
no, say, you see, the president of America does not control the legislative branch of government. The executive and legislative is completely separate. Donald Trump try to put things in place like he want to get the Supreme Court to be conservative. He try the thing, but me and you both know so the president power is limited to the support of a Congress.
Apparently, you know, get what I try to tell you. Said Donald Trump is not a person who have anything when him loyalty. Everything is all about him. Look here, let me show you. Your brother when him, I show you Donald Trump Steve. And I see him here with Kartel, you know. You say you love somebody. It's when you love somebody. That's why with the people them where love Vybz Kartel. That's why them not see nothing wrong for him kill lizard. Because them not say lizard, them according to them lizard are not tap on Harris. He man not judge, he man not doctor, you understand, and lizard are kill people. So nothing wrong for him kill lizard. You're now with Donald Trump now and them thing there. Donald Trump use people and discard them. Him not care about nobody and them thing there. Him not a loyalty. A brother, he was the leader for the in the house after the both impeachment. A brother named Kevin McCarthy and him defend Donald Trump. You know what Donald Trump do? Donald Trump get rid of him. Because him, along with the Democrats, because they never lock down the government and get rid of him. Now him want to get rid of Donald Trump. Anytime it's too late.
If we go back to a point, as you ask, you believe that Joe Biden will win the 2020 election?
I mean, if I believe. It's a fact, I believe. Yeah, of course, I believe.
The highest turnout in the American election history. And the one time America, when all America in a disaster and shut down. When the whole America shut down, mail-in ballots are like 60% of the ballots they make as a mail-in. Where Mark Zuckerberg pay for money drop box all over the place.
Where you get that from? Look here, let me tell you now. Between me and him, with the drop box them. No man. Why you're gone way down in the abyss, man. Let me tell you this. It's when you come on to it. Yes, look here. Mark Zuckerberg no pay for nothing. Facebook no have nothing to do with the election. The election is run by the federal government. Yeah, the drop box them they are the post office. They are the post office. Listen, man.
Was the federal government in favor of? It's swamp deep, bro.
Man, look here, you're going right in a conspiracy room, man. Man, you better take yourself out of that thing.
I'm going to show you, guys. I'm going to show you how we know say people different. Everybody in the world, see, what the one person we never trust it. As a normal average man on the street, what the one person we never trust it.
What me not trust?
The normal average man.
People in normal trust. People normally not trust the government.
A career politician. That's like one person where nobody in the world never yet feel like say you are telling the truth, you see?
Politician not tell the truth.
So why the only time now, you see, every politician in the world tell the truth and when he come out to Donald Trump. I just can't understand
man.
Donald Trump has been in the media. All I know now, that's one future point. Donald Trump has been in the media spotlight for over 3 decades. Why these racist and sexist allegations never come up against him until he ran for president? He was a darling of America for so long.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Who was the darling for America? For who? For who?
Maybe not for you, but the majority was on. He was on all the major networks. Then him have to show him go on Larry King Live. Much different time I talk about the American government and trade policies. There's so many interviews over the years where him do so many things, and his allegations has never come out about him until him decided to go against the establishment.
Yeah.
The minute him go against the establishment, every bad thing in the world do. We just can't understand that.
So okay, all right. So look here.
Bankruptcy means say you're broke,
Really?
No, file for bankruptcy means say your liabilities then outweigh your income.
No, but look here. If you have to inflate your asset, that means you're not rich. Donald Trump is not a billionaire. Donald Trump, you know much Donald Trump stiff a little poor man them work for him and them thing there. Boy, I can't believe. Hey, look here. Although I just hear thing.
Yes, me that hear them allegations about 4 months for office. And the less powerful because the minute him start running for office now, become the even if him now win the presidency, he become the Republican nominee.
Hey, look here.
More power.
Let me tell you.
Things.
You know, Donald Trump win the election. Well, I saw the world operate and everything. Once you put yourself out there now for office, people will come out and talk about you. It's just simple as that. Just like, look here.
People are friends. Because people are saying, if this man was a millionaire first, and they have all that power, I'm afraid to talk them time. And maybe now one position, I'm even more powerful. Walk in bold enough to talk. And you being with on a daily basis now, you know human being really working, but all our come forward and they might get bigger buckety, they might buckety from some establishment for them feel like it's more powerful than Donald Trump holding them to talk, So one girl will come out with it 30 years ago. Jeffrey Epstein care about Donald Trump feel her up. We just can't see through that.
Well, look here. Between me and them thing, I see me. I don't, I see me and them thing. I don't really care about that and them thing. If him never got trouble around them thing, whether it's true or a lie, you understand. And knowing Donald Trump as a liar, if you know an honest liar, tell me. Do you know any honest liar?
No.
Okay. Okay.
What proven to be a liar?
No.
Because you see, the truth is relative to your perspective, Because me can have my building. Yeah? I'm in my mind.
Hey, look here. Let me tell you this. Yeah, third Jamaican who me talk to like Donald Trump. And you see, the other 2 Jamaican who me talk to, them, I tell you, say them are real criminal in America. One of them they got prison for rob a man, and Donald Trump pardoned him from prison and prevent from deporting him. That's why I support Donald Trump. When people with criminal mind, Donald Trump is a criminal. The man is a liar. You understand?
Let's not see it. I'm not say.
Well, because the reason why you don't see it because you're a criminal. You're thinking as a criminal. You're not thinking as a.
When George Bush is it? I'm going to Iraq. I'm going to Iraq on false premise.
Yes, and we not deny that. We not deny that.
Tony Blair, George Bush.
Look here, we are not denying that.
But them money Donald Trump can't come to that Hillary Clinton. The amount of millions of life for them is going to, enjoy it going to Iraq, I mean, if it's true, much of documentary, we can't see it's just fucking what the man do to Iraq. The man bomb all their power plant, them and water processing plant, them and ban the importation of chlorine. You want to pick a criminal on that, brother?
No man. Hey, look here, George Bush is my president and him thing there. George Bush a different man from Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a fascist. You ever see? You ever see?
That's a lie. A capitalist can't be fascist.
Which part of Donald? Which part? Okay, alright, hold on. Alright, look here. I know opinion of facts and them thing there. But anyway, boy, you have some time you can reach out to people and next time you can't reach out to them. Like right now.
Why you say that?
Why?
Give me a basis.
So me can't reach out to you?
No, for what you say him is a fascist.
Him is a fascist? Okay, him lose the election in 2020 and him say him win it. Just like
Hillary Clinton was 2016 and said Donald Trump get help from Russia government.
That is true.
When Al Gore lose the election to George Bush, him go on the same thing.
What him go on? No. What did Al Gore did when him lose to George Bush? What he did?
Whose fault him contest election go all the way to the Supreme Court.
Yes, and his fault why the counting stopped. Him should have made the counting continue. Cause him win the popular vote. If America voting system was the rest of the world, the Republican them would never win the presidency because majority of American people do not subscribe to their policies because their policies are for the rich, not for the poor. But them have the white illiterate.
Answer another question again. As I say, subscribe to the rich. Donald Trump tax policies them where him have in a government, is it? That's when you really go research policy and check who was the most heavily taxed people under Donald Trump policy system, and when you check in your own personal life if anybody have a better standard of life under Donald Trump government compared to the last 4 years in America.
Let me tell you this story, them thing that. Why? I don't know how I go help you them thing that for make you see facts. In case you do not know, we see when Donald Trump signed the tax legislation, you know who it benefit? The rich. You know people in America will file exemption for them house and get back money for taxes when them pay for them house. Them lose that. And guess what happened with Donald Trump? Some of my people them will even vote for him, they end up owe the government money. You understand? Just go and check it. At the time Paul Ryan was a speaker for his house. And I saw them lose the house and them thing there. And somebody said, boy, this is how much money you get from Paul Ryan thumbs it up. And the person said, oh, a $5 me you get from the taxes with Donald Trump signed. It was for the billionaires. All taxes, all things where when billionaire dead and never pay tax, Donald Trump get rid of that. Donald Trump is not for you poor. You understand? So, if you're a big dummy and them thing there, you got to subscribe to what them say. You understand?
That's the next question. Based off of what you just said. I'm going to give you all the way you say. I give you all the way you say. Can any poor man drive industry?
No. Well, you have to understand.
Where the poor depend on to live?
Oh, the poor depend on jobs to live.
Exactly. And so when you give billionaire tax break, they have more money to invest and create more jobs. If I never have a corona, you see? If I never have a corona, you feel like say the growth and the trajectory of America depend. It did stop. A corona much of Donald Trump presidency, bro. The man with America in the hardest time in a modern history, bro.
Where you get that from?
So other than corona, when you go to
no. Where you get that from? The economy that Donald Trump got. That is a Barack Obama economy. Donald Trump don't do nothing. He just come. Who?
Barack Obama, I just want Barack Obama they come and try to take credit fee, but he done this start already.
No man, I don't take. No. Look at it. Look at if you want to just go to the US Bureau of Employment and you will see it. You will see it for yourself, man. I fax me deal with them thing there. But anyway, still, boy, you heavily invest in American politics, and the only thing I can tell you say you have it skewed backwards. You understand? And you have this thing like with Donald Trump is gonna be a utopia. In case you do not know, if Donald listen what me I tell you, man. If Donald Trump become president again, black people no longer be citizen of the United States of America. You can't born in America and you're black and you're a citizen. All kind of things.
That's impossible.
Okay, I see him thing. Look here. I the same thing. I see him thing. When Hitler take over and them thing there, Germany. I see him thing. Them say and them say couldn't happen until it happen. Anyway,
come together again. I say that thing is very controversial, but I'm gonna say it now. I feel like Hitler was the bad guy in World War II.
I mean, we feel like
we choose them in the world right now. The youngster people, you notice that black people, what happened to black people that talk about? The worst thing you can be in the world right now is anti-Semite.
Yeah, but black people can't be anti-Semite. Black people can't be anti-Semite.
The worst thing you can be in the world is anti-Semite. Once you go against the Jews, them, the media. Why you think Italy know? Italy knows that time and come, you see? When bankers are going to start have more thought than elected officials.
Yeah, that is true. And
that was Hitler's biggest growth with the Jews, them. That was his biggest growth when they want to influence governments from behind the scenes.
And them are do it right now in America and in England and
exactly.
Everywhere. You understand?
So some things when the things are innately evil, you might never do it the right way, brother. But in the know what man talk about. So you can't have private sector people who are more powerful than the government. Me elect a man and that man not have no power
Well, you have to understand how even in America or America, when it come on to the federal bank and them thing there, everybody
thinks that America own the Federal Reserve
no,
Bank, and them own the Federal Reserve Bank. A privately owned bank.
And I see, as we tell you again, and I see him licky white people do that in the 1990. Them see him on everywhere you go, you have traitor.
Talking about white people in even if a capture them capture it, you see? And them capture.
No. I mean,
even for white, white people capture America.
Even
white people capture America.
So hold on, how you heavily invest in American history and you know the over 300 million with them kill? What kind of man this man?
I'm saying even them capture it.
I mean I capture them capture it.
Let's say they capture it then. I was gonna keep me within forgive it.
No. Look here. Hey, look here.
You capture a place. Are you a place now, brother?
I mean capture.
You have your best friend. I'm not saying you have your best friend, you see? And come at your yard to come spend some time at your yard, you see?
Yeah.
And when your mother cook, you realize that she'll give more food than you. You're not going to feel that way.
But I never think about that you tell them thing there.
Don't think about it now, man. Your best friend, you know? Your best friend, come in your yard.
So
you realize
to say that
your favorite tie we have. Them take it and give him to play with.
So
when
what?
Food cook.
So how you come by that now? What kind of analogies you give with that?
America is white people country, bro. A white man country, brother.
America and white. America are black people. And not even Indian and native people country. See Joe Biden yesterday.
A white man country, brother.
No.
When the Europeans take it over from Christopher Columbus. And the whole line friend them come take over a place and feed them place now. So you can't win in America. Why the black man, is it? Now I've said passion to equality in Africa and in the Caribbean as equality way more in America.
Because in my own country and them thing there. Which part him think we're born. So him now when we have a fight for equality, they said there's no only thing you have in Jamaica classism.
Yes, and we still not recognize that you can't live by one
no,
place,
look here, let me tell you this. Let me show you something in case you do not know. And it go right back now again to Michael Manley. You know what Michael Manley impart to Jamaican people? Michael Manley give the black people them gangs. That I only think black people want Jamaica gangs and the white man want the banks. Look, black people don't want no factory at Jamaica. Only thing every black man everything where black
mentality not geared towards industry. When a black man get rich, is it?
No, but because
by depreciating assets. So when a white man get rich, he by appreciating assets.
Well, because I mindset that's a
mindset.
So who impart that to us? Who impart that to us as black people?
But we can't break a chain.
Okay, okay. You talk about break the chain. See our next white man come now and I tell him to say a batty business. You hear any of the supporter them come out and denounce it.
If Mark will never win election in Jamaica, brother.
Do you see the people them, the CMPMP them get upset and I say how can I disrespect the man this way? And I tell you say but man and Patricia Duncan Sutherland and all of them people there and Peter Bounty.
One of people talk against something so the majority of people them see things against party lines.
Okay.
Who you like?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
That is the black man mentality. Black man don't like to think logically and critically.
Well,
them like to be led. Bro.
I'm
gonna come on stage and talk and start to say, oh, be one good thing. I'm a son of Guzu, and oh, be the biggest thing. When you are youth, if you want somebody hate you, say yo.
Involved in it. That's true.
The boy, the mother, Obia man.
Yeah, man. The boy no want nothing to do with you.
The boy no want nothing to do with you.
No, all of a sudden you become all of a sudden.
Obia is the in thing. So you gonna blame the next man for them type of behavior, there, brother?
No, because.
I didn't think that make why people gravitate away from us, brother. It means the black man I keep black man every day, brother. You see? Me as a white man. When I say white man a racist.
But look here. Who caused it to happen?
We don't know where it starts from, but we know where we need to end. We need to end it. We need to change the narrative as a people. We need to start
Well, okay. That's why I at the Jamaica Young Police Center, that's how I try to do. But like for me, so them say me a informer me for dead and me a labor right. Cause telling the people them the truth, on the labor right tell the truth.
Culture totally twisted, brother. The culture thing to change from, bro. We as a people need to stop. Because the black people feel like, say, you see, the more vice and vulgar you is, the blacker you is.
Not only blacker, but the more you will be seen.
You understand? Then pray. If you act decent and manageable, you go like you're a white man.
True. And if you embrace education,
you go like you're a white man.
Okay, but yet still,
you can't constantly blame people for your life.
No, me not blame. No, look here. All we have
not you as a
we are responsible for our own action. But look here, look on the culture now in Jamaica. If you no go to jail, if you never go to jail, nobody no respect you. How that?
Yeah.
How that?
You start thinking, we just say to them a couple days before, I say, brother, you was one doctor there, you see? I want teacher in that ear to them keep moral theme.
Okay, Uncle Gunman alone them do that for.
Uncle Gunman alone get them things, brother.
And that's how we all you to me tell a man from me I grew on them thing there. When General Starkey dead, a 43 year ago him dead, And today them talk about General Starkey like him as some hero in a Jonestown.
Like him a hero.
Every youth in a Jonestown want to be General Starkey. And them know say what them a do wrong, but them no want to be accountable for them action. And guess who's the bad guy now because them a commit crime? The security force.
The police.
The police, okay. So them
police are bad guy now.
Okay, alright. So like me, we come from the belly of beast, and I tell you, say boy, Virgin, when you violate somebody's right, you deserve anything where you get, because you don't want nobody violate your rights, but you want to violate some, and if you put on a pedestal and people feel loud, revere you and celebrate you. That's why them not like me. So them say me a labor because me I tell you the truth. If you respect yourself, if you respect yourself as a black man, you gotta respect the next black man. But if you don't respect yourself, you don't respect yourself. Yes.
But you know one shop, you see? Couple niggas they talk about scammer. But they must say you like no scammer. Man, look at me. He claims him a chopper. You must have just say a while ago. I say you like no scammer. And start find every reason for justify him. So now you must say, you don't see him one day I talk about how Andrew Owens them a thief, this and Andrew Owens a thief, that and this. I say, with full mentality, if you go in a parliament right now, the thief 100 times away Andrew a thief. So if you not like Andrew for be a scammer, why am I like Uno for be a scammer?
Yeah, that's a conflict.
That's the mental tone I have, my mind twisted.
Yeah, man, warp thinking. You have to be consistent. You have to be consistent.
Is it me? I say, every day I talk about police corrupt, I say, brother, we think the police force is drawing from the police force is drawing from the society, and if society
is
now
corrupt,
certain behavior,
yes, true.
You can't train a total 1 month in 3 months.
Not true, man. Well, that's 6. I
don't know. Normal life.
In my time, you train for 9 months, so them rooted on them thing. But yet still, some people still come out and still thief. See me. Me have all squad on them thing where him have like this boy dumb oblin when he embarrassed the Dan. For him police I cool the brother when him and Kartel a friend to him name him a one clansman there and police a cool the brother them call him bad Indian. Them man they only shoot dead people, You understand? 2 time in charge of murder for kill dead people. When me say people dead and he still go fire shot in them.
Yeah, dead body.
Yeah, and in charge with murder. But him I tell you now, say him have sense, I mean I tell him say you don't have no sense, because if you have sense you wouldn't charge to kill dead people. Man dead already, you want to show people so you're wicked, you gotta shoot the dead man. That's a common boy behavior. You know no sense.
That don't make no sense, bro.
Dummy. But him have him film cousin now where a bad man when he embarrassed out of dumb hold him. And him girl embarrassed them gunshot and them thing there. Oh, you do that. Oh, you rationalize that as police. Then now, him when Bulby was the Jamaica most wanted man, him have Bulby cell phone. Him used to protect them and them thing there. And Bulby them, and him rob Bulby them coke. You understand? And Bulby tell him to send him back him coke. And Bulby send a boy where him know, and the boy go for kill him and shot him up bad. That couldn't happen to me.
Yeah,
because, you understand what I'm saying? Because me and a gunman and a friend.
Even what I was by talk to and Cathy what they have no reason. I said, bro, you constantly complain about the man, the man I say, yo, look at the thing, you know. When I find logical, you know.
Yeah.
I say, I pride myself as being single mother, right? And I say, since when I say the man, I say, oh, come on, man, we do they not want youth life. I have more influence for the youth than the mother where they in the youth life every day.
That's true, man. And you guess what? You see Portmore, you see a Portmore, the mother them a Portmore, there's some of them are vile and wickedest mama them, I tell you that.
Brother, I know woman pimp out them daughter, you know, brother. Pimp out them daughter, you know, brother. And I'm a 12, 13, 14 year old, brother.
For money?
You can't. I said, Jamaica, the only society where you can't talk about no woman. The first one ask if you're not a mother. So I said, because me a mother, that means a woman can't not bad.
And
then, me having a mother, I can stop her, I can make when a woman go on with, brother. The way we approach things, have to change. And if we not change your mindset,
it's a destroyer. Well, still, you know, that's why I try to see. I try to see if a little like Jamaica will left. You understand?
No, see, I watch find some things. Look on the NBA. The NBA are like 90% black man. And when they retire with the NBA, 3 years after they retire, them 75% of them broke.
Because guess what? What them not understand is that them make money on them thing, and them not realize that the money where they make, them have to invest it or save it. You understand?
Yeah, they buy jewelry, they buy liquor. They might have this big old entourage of one bag of people back them be a party, be a fandang, why people buy appreciating assets. They buy a car, no matter the car dear, and this is a classic car. But no matter the car, they mean to drive it off for the lot, brother. The value start go down.
The value, yeah man, so.
They're not buying no real estate, they're not investing in some painting, they're not buying no gold. They're not investing in nothing where we're gonna make your money grow over time, brother.
Well, Justin Bieber did buy a painting for $100 million. It worth $30,000 now.
I don't understand what's going with that painting.
You hear about it though?
Yeah,
man. 100 million.
I also know about painting. Maybe have some kind of fake or maybe I don't know, but normally I think we appreciate over time, brother. I know say buy a painting after the artist dead.
Me not buy no painting and them thing there. You understand? But
them thing that you can invest now, man. If I get the right painting, man, them thing I appreciate it, man.
And look here, between me and if you want to learn some more thing about your history and when it come on to European and black people, you can check out the playlist them on the channel and them thing, because me like how you immerse yourself, but sometimes where you get the information, you get it from the wrong place. It's better when you get it from the book where written by black people. Some of them are cool and them thing. You have may I tell you now, if you want to learn more about America, you have a black man. Marcus Garvey still, Marcus Garvey are the epitome, when Marcus Garvey make black people where we reach right now in our world, most black people don't know this. And because them don't read. You see the FBI what we have in America, I don't know, Mab give we that, Marcus Garvey give the world the FBI, You never did know that?
No.
Because Edgar Hoover and the president said Marcus Garvey is the most dangerous man in the world. I saw them come by the FBI.
The FBI to keep tabs and keep track of him.
Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey. That's why we have the FBI. Marcus Garvey, why you have the FBI in America. Them say my most dangerous black man in the world, and him never have a military, and him never have a gun, and him never, so them say that, say even the district attorney in New York, white man, hire a white man for kill Marcus Garvey, and him shot him 3 times and him not dead. And then lock up the white man and hang him. The police them hang him in a jail.
You know what the most dangerous thing?
No, I ask if you didn't know that and them thing there.
No, I never know that.
That's why you need. Look here.
You know the most dangerous thing, where even more dangerous than a gun or a bomb. The idea, brother.
Yeah, man, you can't kill it. Just like with Hamas.
You can't.
Just like with Hamas, you can't kill Hamas or Hezbollah. You kill all the leader them. That's an idea. You can't kill idea.
Yes,
Israel is good. Hey, look here. Whether or not you want to believe it, let me tell you something. That's how enough people don't know. If Donald Trump win, the Palestinian people them are annihilate them. Because in case you do that,
him love Israel to a different extent.
No, let's listen to me I say that because I fanatics them, man. Let's listen to me I tell you them thing about Donald Trump. So you see me I tell you them play people and them thing there. Israel, you didn't know say Israel have a open concentration camp right now with black people in Israel, with black people in thousands of them. You didn't know that?
No, I don't know about black people. Let's not say the Palestinians.
I talk about a open concentration camp in Israel right now with black people. We come from Ethiopia and them thing there. Cause them are a real Jew. You never did know that? Check it out, man.
No say no Jew no they are Israel, brother. No say no Jew no they are Israel, brother. I check Bible prophecy.
Okay, all right. So listen now. So when
who they are Israel right now? Nobody where they are Israel right now say man Jew belong this anywhere.
Them are imposter.
All of them places they come from in a brother.
Yeah, and Russia.
Them in a brother.
Yeah, so that's why. So look here. So if Donald Trump win, all of the people, Palestinian them are dead, gone. Cause him a support Netanyahu. Why you think Netanyahu will start the war? And guess what now? You see, the American government, if you notice, all our people them were in a Congress. That was far the Palestinian them. They, the Zionists them primary them, and use propaganda and get rid of them and replace them.
Yes, because the Jews them run the media, the biggest media house them in the world control by the Jews. And they say the biggest film can come in the world.
Yeah, but look here,
them branding are anti-Semite.
But in the long run, guess what? They are going to fall. Because you can't see it starting. It's starting in Europe right now, where they are distance themselves from them. So you're not telling you I say at them alone I go at it. Because they might fall. Look here now. You see the reason why he must step up the war. Because he might bank on it. You have to understand all of them things are psychology. They might bank on it that the Arabs them in America do not vote for the Democrats because them in a power so that Donald Trump can win. If you escalate it and the Arab them not realize I game them a play with them. Because Donald Trump not like them because them are Arab. You understand what I'm saying? Him love people money and them thing. Them come like a war. No money, you understand? Because him corrupt. Anyhow, him win and them thing, because I land them want, I the land them want, the people them land. Palestine, so here now. In case you do not know, most people don't know. Did you know who caused the apartheid system? Which politician in America caused the apartheid system in South Africa to crumble and stand up against Ronald Reagan? You know which politician did do that?
Mm-hmm.
Joe Biden. Okay? Joe Biden is the man that do that. So that's why, whether or not you want to believe it and them thing there, Joe Biden.
No, I'm not going to do it, bro. I'm not just arbitrarily think say, yeah, lie about nothing,
Hey, look here.
I think is a man who try to seek all the information and file.
Yeah, man, and validate it. I'm going to tell you this. We are the most hated people in the world. You see, in Egypt, may I tell you this? In Egypt, the Egyptian military, 400 black people then slaughtered there. Egypt, Egypt are Africa, The Arab no come from Africa, Are imposters them, I see a European give them weapon and I saw them kill them cheat. Which part of the Palestinian there, nobody will live down there for them land, Our people land, Our ancestors land, And we
Africa they extend to all Iraq and them places, man.
Then who you think? I see them European and the Arab them come together. And the Arab them, you know what them call the Arab them sand niggas, but them want to be white. Why everybody want to be white when white is a wicked race of people? Because everybody want to be wicked. You get it?
Man, but men kind by very nature evil, you.
Yeah, but remember saying all baby born innocent is how your culture and nurture them. That's why in Japan, say Japanese people them are the most honest people them in the world. If you lose your wallet in Japan, you can go any police station and find it intact. Anywhere, anytime, anything that the Western culture.
Nurture more influential on a human being than nature.
Yes. You understand what I'm saying?
You can nurture any instinct out of somebody, bro.
So you have to understand, man.
Jamaican culture not subscribe to good behavior, bro.
No, because we gravitate to anything that is negative, them gravitate to it.
Yeah. That's why people look up on the wall. I think when I study right now the whole rap scene and I say, yo, why them you telling me them get money, you see?
No, you have to understand,
I
have to destroy everything that is done is to destroy us as a people. Look at all the people them when you look online, who are the race of people who degrade themselves. Look on the girl named look on Jada Kingdom and Shensia. You know, see them go on stage and
Shensia, I talk to this girl, I said the girl cute, the girl clean, the girl nice, you know, dog.
Oh, Shensia.
Police too, you know, brother.
A police girl?
Yeah, clean, you know, sweet. I'm gonna say the girl put up one thing about Shadi 2 man, I said my girl.
A police, what's she have TikTok? She have TikTok?
Yeah.
So send her a thing, come let me see it.
So my son can't find. I say my girl, oh if you need money, I say, and you got post up change. She black money to call the person in a jumper. Come up and tell them, I say, brother, you got degrade yourself for one trend. One trend.
Yeah man. And look, so as me tell you now, look at the girl named Shensi and them thing there. She and the girl named Jada Kingdom. Cause them now have no talent, you know. When them do is go on
them look just a sell sex.
Yeah, alright, them go up on stage and no underwear and just shake up them body and show them vagina. Oh that
just a sell sex.
Man,
I say we should raise a woman and see a class them man, right?
Alright.
Like how black woman class black man. I say only feel that man I go love and respect when you talk about it certain way.
But no go that too. Them not no respect for them. They might only woman them with falls. With the whole of makeup and all that and falls here. Which rich man in them right sense I go want a woman like that where falls.
If you talk to them my session I say brother wanna expect when you can't get it from when you behavior brother and now make you self lovable.
Yeah, but them not
easy. Like you want to protect you and take care of you and nurture you because you want to self and destroy yourself. So if you don't love yourself, why you gonna love me?
True, but you have to understand too. With this, if somebody don't respect themselves or you respect others, I respect them. And when you have to understand, say no love art. You notice, you know, say back in or even up in the 1990s and early 2000s, them used to make love song. Them not make love song again. I peer music back from.
You can't dance with a girl.
Yeah.
I say, oh, the said girl, let me just listen to her. I say, yo, artists can't tell me so them want the ending at all to on the cheer, you know.
But me see all that girl, me see all that video with that girl where from a brother named Romish. I'm a piss on the girl.
I'm piss on her.
Yeah.
I'm watching video between one time and a brother.
Man, I two different. Yes, you understand.
Next time she want bathroom and so me say a regular habit just be. I can't bet so one nigga we have 2 little shilling. She make piss on her and she enjoy it too, you know, brother.
Yeah, man. But look here.
Me say then I get up.
Look here. The first time I hear about body wash, England me hear that in the 1990s, you know. A man I tell me, for me white, I say lick out full body, you must be mad. Give a girl £5. I say no, so I mean them thing there. You understand? No, I something I normalize in Jamaica.
Normalize.
You understand?
All artists them sing about it. All artists them sing about it, brother.
And you know your man them say. And the girl them hey look here. That's why you can't even kiss a girl at Jamaica no. Because you don't know if she lick out body because them mouth stink. When them mouth stink you wonder what because her body them and them not realize them are sick themselves.
The thing grieve my brother what they may talk me I say youth me I say oh you see things in about grow up in one different era in brother where man used to love them girl. When we start going high school in 95 we get a one girl in brother you can't swear upon that the girl in the youth.
Yeah true. No man, no them a girl have all 10 man.
You see, you have a little girlfriend in high school man 95, 96, 97 them time up until about 2000. 2000 you can't swear upon your girl.
Yeah, you can't do that.
The minute the next man says something to her, she'll come and say, yo, general, they don't say, such man alone make such man know say me there because say if still want me see him, make you know say that can't go on and. My girl, brother. My girl, I'm nothing about them.
Well, no love no exist no more. Sex and money. If you, hey, look here, as what you say on them thing, from you have money, you can get any girl at Jamaica. You have to look them.
Again, you bring back to our next point again. Nobody want to touch me. Nobody want what is more going to say. No other thing you know, brother. It's full of abortion issue in America, brother.
Yeah, but
This whole abortion
look here.
It made a way and a bit of a thing. Say the biggest thing when the girl ma fight over right and now you have the right to just dash rebellion.
No, you have to and look here. Let me tell you something again. In case you do not know, you have to understand. Say, you see the abortion thing. Say white people them killing most baby per year. You know? White people, and guess what? Them want it, you know. Because by I kill them own race of people. Right now, you know, you see in the world when it come on to North America and Europe, why you think them have to start war in Libya, Syria and all them country there to make people migrate to Europe? Because the population are dwindling because man are there with man and woman are there with woman. So everything what them are doing, a devil agenda them are doing, you know, but yet still the reason why them don't want African people there, you know, because we are black people and them hate we. The only thing we don't like about we are because them love when black people can entertain them. You understand? Them have black people say we are entertainer.
So a black man make himself in a circus, brother.
Alright, sir. Yeah,
we take ourselves in a circus now, bro.
But like you know, if you
run, jump and sing and dance, brother. That's where black man pride himself and you see black man and try to run a business. He want to baller.
No man.
I want to entertainer.
Are done. Yeah man. He want to go jail where him shit, piss, fart and eating the same thing. And out with 10 other man. You ever go jail? How much time you go jail?
3 different occasions.
And when you go jail, tell me your experience. When you go jail, how it go? No man, share your experience with me, man. Tell me what's that.
I'm glad my life changed apparently, man. I'm not supposed to back at that. To be based on how I live my life. Make sure to set that thing I'm not supposed to
but may I tell you something I notice you keep doing it. Although I'm not correct on them thing there. When I first thing what you do right now, and not even realize you disrespect yourself by calling yourself dog. You saw me I grew up when I refer to me as dog and them thing there. I do a video and I say I know a man refer to me as dog. But because I have a conversation and I realize he's a conscious youth. In case you don't know, you see by you doing that, you see when I grow, a man call me dog that a fight. Because you know what dog inherently do?
I get him on shit, man.
Okay, so how you want to?
I don't say that's long terminology.
No.
You don't really go too deep in
it. Still no. It's have a connotation to it and them thing. Whether or not you want words of power. Just like how if you call a woman the B word or the double word, it have power. It have meaning. Whether or not you want to believe it. So when you emit that thing from your mouth, you are degrade yourself. You understand what I'm saying? Because you call me dog and them thing. And you notice at no time me not acknowledge it because me totally against it because that no see me I tell you our American culture that we as Jamaican that we tell you say we as Jamaican, you know, is an American colony, you know, without American benefits. Everything what black American do, Jamaican people gravitate to it. Our God's earth a man a walk and you are look on him batty. In my underpants and him feel say that cool. How is that culture? That's not part of our culture.
My pants are far from my race, brother.
Okay, well that's you. But look on the artists them where I do it now and them thing there. Man I show it.
So what they show man say see that my time I grew up, them artists are cool the boss, them youth will kick up a date and to see them yard. Can't show money.
But look here, but them not a talent. I've never listened to one of the music and it make no sense to me. A garbage music.
No music now make I get.
Okay. All people have to go back to the retro music the music them from the 80s and the 90s and early 2000s. Nothing appear garbage and them thing there. Yeah, alright, me have a video on the channel and them thing there. Big woman, them there in a dance. I have sex with them. A woman a demand her money. Oh, we reach a point now where even sex people in the team them get desensitized where them something where you would have shocked if somebody come catch you have sex and them thing. Most of those people that watch you. Yeah. I saw Jamaican people.
The culture completely gone. So what do you mean like that? What can I say, yo? We are old time and modern times. So I say, yo. when things are get modernized, it's supposed to get better. And
It'll get worse. It'll get worse.
Yeah, I'm saying it's supposed to get worse. It's supposed to get better. I'm saying so gone. But did the government come out? I'm saying as we go back touch for the whole abortion thing, the government come out and say the birth rate in Jamaica low.
Because I bought the business. I see him bought the business again.
And the people them want to crucify the government.
Yeah, what them I say?
I say, oh, them wicked.
The PMP?
Andrew, them wicked about the birth rate low. And if I'm going to mind the pity them, man. Then I say, bro.
So that's why them say them have to import people from other countries because the youth, they don't want to learn the trade. Every man want to die in a pathway. When you are going to work, in brushing teeth for all 3 hours. And when you going to work, you go in bed, go sleep. And when you come from work, at them time, him wake up, him day start. And him not work. And Friday, him stand up in a pathway, him beg if you buy a Guinness. I have a brother and him grew up on them thing there and him live a Britain. And one day him no buy boy them no Guinness. Him say him not the money, him and him kill him. And I them live for years. You understand?
Them say them gone, man. Them culture.
Yeah, man, it gone, man.
Totally gone.
So
all the abnormal things them have become normal. I mean, I say, yo.
Well, that's why I try to do what I do for much, but some people don't like it because them say, boy, you know, me need for, you know, me kind of too harsh with it and them thing there. But you have to tell people the truth. You understand? People.
It's true me see things from both sides of the fence, brother. I'm gonna tell you what time I'm really kind of immersed in the lifestyle and lose whole heap of cousin, uncle, friend.
What gunman kill?
Yeah, do a thing and me I say you know make me say me come hard to this thing, brother.
Same place in a Waterford them then?
No, I'm both in a Waterford and Towel.
Yeah, your family at Towel?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see me? I mean, I say no make no sense.
So you know Pilly Blacks?
On the road.
You know who him kill and get rich though?
No, I know him like that. I know detail. I know a character. I know the personality of a person.
I kill him kill a brother named Roller. Roller one white brother, white and him come from Towel. Rich, you know. And him did say.
No, Roller, you know white him bro, and big fat brown brother.
Yeah man, but him have pretty.
So for you know, say, well, I'm not sure you think deep, don't cause a long time left to it. When me I go all the school, me I Roller that a day, when me I go all the school, I see what all the you know. Then the Roller run to while him down. He was the first man before even Enos charge him get rich. Roller was the first rich dog in a tower. Used to have one big chrome 357 man. Them man hide them thing when them man there run to while, brother. You see me? What I'm saying, you grew up in one place and you left to while from board. 95. You start go high school, move.
I know some of customer used to live at a while and he used to go see you too, you know. Your name is supposed to be same age. He have the same last name as you. And me come and take him out at a while. He live a foreign now and him thing there.
Yeah man, at a while man grew up until me about 12-year-old.
Him last name a Porter too.
Let's see what all age 95.
Well, them my cousin 90s, yeah, them yeah, 95 he move out at a while. I used to live there and them thing there. I mean, find him, yeah man, him live in America now and them thing there. In the Air Force. He come from Towel. I'm my uncle Pitney and them thing there, but you don't know, it go already and them thing there through stereotype and, you know, him mother come from ghetto and you know, some people in our family and them thing they never did too you know, true. I mean I say no man, you can't stay son. Him live a farm, I say you can't stay son. You have a youth and you know say the same live and because true him live and you know want to do the man. I say you can't treat him like that. I'm go fee man thing and he may not be live a foreign and them thing there, but I'm in a Air Force now, you know.
Yeah man, sometimes your good people come from everywhere and you sometimes else a victim of your circumstances.
Then I get to me come from. I don't so me born and grow on concrete jungle. Me never afraid to tell. One time me not grow still in the 80s. Me the shame. Cause guess what? If you tell people say they say you come from, them start looking at you say you're a criminal. And people are pretty kind of tell you what your life will be. Yeah man, Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Daddy, come like this, come like that.
Yeah, man. I remember when I go high school and them thing there. Yeah, man. All the teacher tell me say, yeah, man. You in a couple of years and them thing there, prison. Cause all I want to come from jungle and Jones are criminal. Yeah, man. And prove them wrong. Can go 2 away alive and them thing there. 2 away you did in the same class, high school. You understand? And you tell him to play for your name, Orius Dinah Brown. 2 away left. Everybody else dead. That's why I talk about it all the while. You understand? So, when people, that's why I'm going to compare myself with no other guy and them thing. Because when I talk from my heart, I talk from my personal experience. Why, man, I say, boy, you make it out and them thing. Why you try to help other people? I don't want the youth them come waste them life. And feel as though we say this allure of criminality or something nice. There's nothing nice about it because I violate other people's rights. And you know your rights violated. Why you feel violate?
Nothing nice about it, but I'm going to say enough man don't know no difference that them grow up and see that's normal in it.
Yeah, but it's alright. So like for you and them thing now, when you got jail, how much people in our jail with you? In our cell?
In their cell, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are within our cell.
Alright, and your shit, you do everything inside there?
Everything.
Your shit?
Except beard.
So how much time for your day you get for beard?
Sometimes I have no time.
What, based on the police that I work myself?
Based on all the things, because sometimes if fuck we are going up on the cell, but them not make it. Yeah, some police too spiteful, man. Them in there and them not come fly, because when you are beat, you know, if they run there with you. They're on the cell block.
So what? So me ask you now. So when it come on to your privacy and them thing there, how that work in a jail? How much are you say in a jail? 8 hours?
8. Because they sell me for 5.
So what kind of bed do you have in there?
Kind of bed. If I can get a couple pieces of cardboard in there, I'm lucky. More time can't see them. First thing them tell us you can't, not even tall sleeve them on make you have in a brother.
Not even tall sleeve?
Even tall sleeve shirt you can't.
Why? Because them feel say you go hang yourself?
I don't know what the reason, because they may explain that to you, but you can't in a tall sleeve shirt. How much you can get a tall pants when your court data come up.
So tell me how your day go when you're at jail.
Brother, like, you jump up in the morning. You know, you based on everybody. If I did just some little misunderstanding go on, and then they take me up on one little charge where in the event of the truth, you see.
What kind of charge? I'm not talking a parables, you know. I'm telling me talk straight.
They have for a human trafficking charge, you see.
Okay.
But not at all. I go say, brother, big misunderstanding.
Yeah, man, me hear you and them thing now.
Yeah, not this girl and girl up on my ends where Virgin have one. Knock it and thing. Then of that, my Virgin sister make fear that I left with the girl with me and knock. You see me? Go somewhere. End up stuck with part they couldn't move. And she go to the station make it look like say me and the girl turn up and take credit. I don't know nothing about the arrangement for them make, brother. Even the day when I go, I say to her, yo, what reason you have to say such cat with Catty B? I say, I don't know Catty B that way, brother. I'm gonna come from here. And so I don't know what kind of arrangement. Anyway, long story short, I don't know. You wake up in the morning, I'm saying I'm bucket with some mint tea. You know it now got hot. Drink the community. If them do a fly up, maybe. Because the police them know we are going up on the cell block, you know, they know say you're the man in a cell 1 and cell 3 link. You know, we not no beef, so them that fly up them 2 cell together, you see me? The man in a cell 1 and cell 3 just to sort out themselves.
So even in a jail man they are war, see me?
Yeah, man, no worry about man. Man's kind of brother. Yeah, man, you know, say man in a cell 1 and man in a cell 4, man. You can't make them man on the passage same time, man. Man, I get stabbed up, man. You see me. So, you know, so they sell it. As I said, the police have an idea what go on and everything. Sell them when you know, sell link. You flight them sell together. You beard. Go back in your cell. First I sell them.
So when you know you sell, wait, so what kind of, wait, say, so you don't have like bunk or something like that in there?
I make it a concrete bunk. I can say a 5 bunk in there. 2 of them double. 1 single, 1 by itself.
2 double. I mean double. Them took so man and man sleep together.
Like bunk.
No, so alright. So the double bunk them together and what is like them party a partition.
One a bottom, one a top. One a bottom, one a top.
So them partition also a 2 man sleep up this.
In a part of man, just one a bottom, one a top. Like one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side.
Oh, okay. So that's okay. And then you have one in the middle.
No, one on the back wall. I want to say a 3 wall. I want to say I have the grill at the front. Like the bar at the front, you see me? So you go in, on your left hand side, you have a double bunk there. On your left, on your right, a double bunk up on the back wall, you have a single bunk. The tiles that they run the one in one I corner them.
Yeah.
Just to tile it. You know, have no washer, you know, no washer and sink or nothing. No, one like a sink, one like a concrete sink, you know, but it ain't a road, no water in. So, if you go over entertainment now, you know where the man them use and scratch out one draft board.
Pan the concrete?
Yeah, scratch it out, you see me? You know what it is? You get steel bread and you build a dice out of steel bread. So more while you play some loody, now you play a draft. Me a draft man, see, so for me dropping I said everybody stop play a draft. No man no want to play a draft again.
So me ask you, you don't have light in the cell and them thing there?
No light, you know. A little light he come in through the little vent where they have attack, but once you touch ours, then you say I just on the passage alone light there. And you know say lights out from about 8 o'clock. So from about 8 o'clock you know say if you just go and use the imagination.
Because your brain start race and all them thing there.
Yeah.
So don't have sheet for cover with them thing there?
Sheet, brother. It's like a hotel.
Yeah.
I say that if you tall shirt, the man don't want to give her tall fans, brother.
So it's a bucket and a dunking and them thing there?
No, man, say so I'm biking them.
Okay, that I want to call a toilet that
yeah.
A toilet we can flush?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so that not bad then on them thing there.
Yeah, concrete, you know. Yeah. And one little push button thing there on it there. And on the angle we carry on that's one little.
Yeah.
That metal, but it sets one way where it can't come out. It make in at the inside so you actually put your finger like in one little hole to press it.
Yeah. So it can cover on them thing there or it can't cover?
No man, stay open, man.
So inside there so no eat and all them thing there?
So we do know you get all cloth and thing you tie that up around it. Because it not coming on surround it, no, but just dead there, you know. So you have to put up one like shower curtain thing, and a shower curtain, and a real shower curtain, but at the best we can describe it to you as we don't we kind of separate it from the cellars, you know.
So to the other man them on a bunk, where them sleep?
Them want to lie down under the bunk them. Come on, say I can't create the whole thing, you know, brother. So I'm going to dismiss if they're on a bunk or they're on the ground, you know. Because me never have no bunk, you know, because me going to go see the whole bunk them take a parody, you know. So we just slide on one bunk them. So as I say, if they get some cardboard, they're lucky. If they did it, and squad them rate you, they can them carry cardboard come give them go on road, you see me? Newspaper. They spread the newspaper, the cardboard are gone, whatever little clothes you have. Spread the clothes on that, you see me?
Wow.
Yeah, man, you gotta eat bone them tender, man. it bone them tender, brother. Because enough man can't sleep on inside or on them back. You know, you have to train yourself. You know,
so what to all a man where all a snore and them thing? How him work out that in a jail?
I don't say on a level. It's depending on yourself and the man them kind of. So we're not going on a major fuckery. Man them know say snoring and thing, they're natural thing, you see me?
Snoring?
Yeah. So the man never really page of his snoring and them look at it.
But hey, when me that uns be and them thing then. Hey man, them beat a man nearly kill him because him a snoring. Man, them say them can't sleep. Beat the big man, you know. You understand? I mean, I say, at them a life, a man a fight for God jail and them thing there. Because through the man, them a say, boy, hours them a try to sleep and through him a snore. You understand?
I feel comfortable, man. I make him say you're too comfortable, man. Jail, say them, man. I'm not say them know say a natural thing, but you know say when you run off every man, so man frustration they be different. So man make everything.
Everything bad at them.
In my condition when they drop in them, they kind of drop in the way. You can't lucky for God here. So I never say me lucky boy. I'm going to go see man them know from the road, you see. So
and them rate here.
Yeah, so they know say a new jailer force him to come here. So they remember that to pressure you upon certain things, you see.
So the first time when you got jail, how you feel on them thing then?
Brother,
no, you're the far for you say what happened?
I say ball, I want ball, man, but I say yo, I not ball, I make the man them see me a ball, I see, cause the worst thing I can be around jail is a pumpkin, brother. One look around move the man them have a classy as groans, as they grown say everything a jail, brother. Everything a grown, sir, brother. If you ball, if you're a jail house and for any reason at all, you go stand up and you know say one thing you wake up a man, you ball. You can't wake up with them things, brother. You have to make sure when you're sleeping in your mind that then in your mind you have to remember where you're dead. You can't get no dream, brother. I make a dream take you over, you see it?
Yeah.
You have to dip on your guard, brother.
Yeah.
Some man go to jail and go want to ride the bike and start fart and anything that you get licked for that. You use the bike, brother, nobody will let you ride. Yeah, fuck the place, you see it?
So who go on the toilet paper?
Then they come with a visit.
Or your family bring them for you?
Yeah, man, they come with a visit, man. You have to roll it off of the road and get in a plastic bag. 2 days squeeze out in a plastic bag, same way. Bathing soap cut in half, because they want to check if
any weapon right?
The toothbrush, the angle cut off, come down to one little beanie part you can barely hold.
So which part? So you have to keep water and you're selling a bottle for drink and them thing there.
Yeah, you have a bottle because you have a card. Where do you card again? I don't remember exactly when it was not general, but they say when you get the you allow you to get the 2 liter bottle. After all, you stop take them because man is so full of my water and use them beat man afterwards. So after that be a plastic bag, you have a full of plastic bag them and water. When you get jump out. I can tell you, somebody sink them and somebody sell them in the work. So when you jump out, you're full of plastic bag, man, tie them up on the grill.
Right, but so every man know for them bag though?
Yeah, man, every man have them only per section, man. See me? Every man have them only per section. So you put one piece of cloth, so the grill can't bust the bag, you understand?
Yeah.
And you tie it up. And treat up a little, like, a little diamond mesh thing, like, pan it. So, so you make it, so you not go down in the corner, this and say it hook on pan the grill.
So why a man gravitate for garden place there?
I'm gonna say something about badness. At least from my perspective, every man. You see when you're bad, no man is bad, nothing go for go jail, no daddy.
Yeah.
No man is bad, nothing go for go jail, brother. Cause you see a criminal mind always feel like my smartest thing in the realm. I feel like so nobody can. You feel like nobody can find out, you know, daddy.
And that's why them say everybody else has a life on them, don't it?
Yeah. You see me? You feel like say, yo, I do man. You see, smarter than everybody else. So, the man is bad now pre jailhouse. So when they drop a jailhouse, they start thinking about jailhouse. Regular every day. Somehow will do certain things, brother.
So you know Sean Storm good?
No, I'm not doing for that. I'm just seeing boy the place.
Okay, the man them say them a clap him too, you know. Them a him first them say them. Through them Vybz Kartel the other day. So so you know the man them want kill Cart. You know the man them from Capburn Pen will get paid for kill him.
No, I'm gonna say more thing long time.
And you know what nothing to do with it, sir. I'm not wrong yet.
More thing long time. I'm not gonna have detail about. I just know say certain people now can forget certain things now.
True.
You know, one portion of the time where you could just buy the time in you. It come like Germany after the First World War. You know, you're not powerful enough to take an enemy them, but you still know where enemy them is, you know.
Yeah.
Some man know say, oh, them might tell in a portion right now, they clapping, but if certain man for drop out,
yeah,
and then get certain strength.
Once a week in a certain faction or group.
Yeah. So bad. And every time you win all that gang in a brother. And that gang they have all 10 enemy in a brother, but since them know say don't rate you. And can't touch you and see minute they don't drop. They get pushed out in a brother.
Yeah.
You see me? So bad in the general. In that. You see me? So man just know say yo for the time being, you must just go and buy them time. Wait for film opportunity, you see me?
Yeah.
Nothing you want to do certain things, brother. Nothing in a time in a body so I want to do certain things. Just know say you can't do it, you know. Say you can't do it because powers that being not really a swing your way yet.
Yeah.
You have to just wait until the opportunity presents itself.
Why? I mean, you know, all man gravitate to that life, though. You know what I'm saying?
I don't say enough man, brother, get caught up. Enough man never choose so bad, brother. Enough man not choose so bad. You live one little place where you know, say, right? If I start link with such man, if I have my thing, a man can't come demand my thing because he knows say you want such man a link car. You know, what a little thing to it, brother, when you live a certain place, brother, man ever try to test it, you see it. So it's either you're gonna be a punk, you're gonna run, or you're gonna stand up face. You see me? You know the Jamaican mindset, the Jamaican mentality. We know, no man don't want to be seen as a coward, brother.
Yeah, ego, yeah.
You see me? The ego gonna make enough man choose his fight. And if enough man are dead in a brother, them know them are dead in a youth. Them know say yo, the word in the streets and the base man walk go on, and them nah run away, brother. Them nah run away, you see me? Come on, say we grow up down. We grow up in one culture where we embrace certain things. You see, in the music, in your regular everyday life, when you see certain people get dealt with a different way than the average man.
Well, normalize criminality.
Yeah. So the more thing they make it easier for you to do it. You see it. They make it easier for you to do it, but when they know say yo, even people are outraged and the minority are very few people that really feel a way about it. The other majority of people are find a way to justify and back your behavior until it affect them personally, you understand? And when it starts to affect people personally, now most people complain about violence, brother. But a normal regular day, I just say I just Jamaica that is it.
True.
Because I say No, when I say I think I'm not endorsing, I think are two different something, you know. Cause one time, I even look up on a simple example. Most of one time when I hear say a girl so good, they say.
A bad thing, man.
Yeah. Even if I want her to give one little shine off, you want to hide and get it, you know.
Well, as a big man of them thing, through me old fashioned, I know them something.
No, most about one time when them things they just are coming away, you know, paradigm, when they just are here about it. If you can do it, you want to hide and make sure you just want a man who says she do it, you see. But them things they come like it's a swag. You get them all pride that they say, oh, she a throat goat.
And who normalize that in our music?
Kartel, brother. Kartel first starting about them something in there, brother. Openly, you know. Even if that sing one time, she used to sing in one little parable, one little way where them put it away where you have to. You have
to as a critical thinker if you understand what you're saying.
Yeah. I have experience and know say when they go search certain places, so they refer to them thing. It never blatant and open like that.
Yeah.
You know? And I say the normalization of certain things make. You know? Standard and morals and drop.
Big time. That's true, man. It's gone.
I want to even when me did there, certain man and there are certain places, brother. If you go to boom, you go for your apps. You go for your apps, you see certain people upon the ends. You go back and come back on different time, man. You not take a chance, you know, say, yo, you can fire shot off a John Brown and I catch Miss Mary, you see me? Even the said man, they send up on the apps, they go to push you out because they know, say, yo, the pressure and the heat will come off our company, them, you know, say, yo. Because police have a way, you know, say, when the Goldman are killed, Goldman, police have two business with you, brother. They say, once I get killed, one innocent person when they was supposed to get gunshot. Pressure that is, me. Right now, you know, it make a difference when I kill a baby, brother.
Yeah, true, man. And because, man, I'm saying wicked.
Yeah, the evil, those so evil thing. I said the badness was never about being evil back in the day. It was more, only, I say never man used to play offense, but most of it was more defense.
Different turf on them thing there and protect the people.
I defend them place and protect them place.
You're the far from the phone, yeah.
You can't be on that in no way. The man them definitely endorse this evil devil mentality, brother.
That's true, man. And you have to be wicked. The wickedness side around things, you know.
Yeah, so what do you want a church really? Look on madam and say, yo, versus the love to Jamaica and she say why.
You look on your own?
Oh mother. The person the versus to Jamaica and she say why and I say, see, because the man them see a mass shooting there go on. Every man now got try proof he say.
Them wicked, yeah, man.
Them wicked and the man never did the church thing, you know. And since then about 8 more mass shooting go on in Jamaica in general. Because the man them constantly try to outdo each other. But they want to be more outrageous than the next person. I say the music and you know the government, that's how much the government can do with them now do.
Yeah.
Clamp down on the music, clamp down on the radio station, because even if they might beep out certain part of the song, you already know
people can fill it in the blanks.
Yeah, you already know the raw version. You understand? Because the raw version I play upon your phone, it a play in your dancer, so you play it on the radio, yeah. You normalize certain things.
True.
See me?
Right, it just sad though. So how you you feel if we you know what we are doing over here so them thing, what kind of impact we are make on the youth them?
Brother, man, the youth them now watching no black in the brother.
Them.
You them now what no blog, brother. You know one where a last month and 3 weeks. Why do you think TikTok so popular, brother?
Why you think what?
TikTok so popular.
Oh, because of 3 minutes.
Because you don't have short attention.
Like goldfish.
Yeah. 30 seconds. I pray don't know I take up my half an hour, no, 20 minutes of them time. But when I say the first couple of sentences and you're not eat on the pint with them 1 year.
Them gone.
Skip on. I'm gone, brother.
Mm.
At my age group, early 40s, I go up them place. I pray them thing, brother, car. We see the change, we know where it come from to where it is right now,
Yeah.
The change that we know say, Jamaica never did perfect, but it gone way past a limit,
It's you feel it can't come back.
I know how to come up. I say it can't, but I said I don't know how. I don't know how, general.
Well, through education still though, cause them are instill Marcus Garvey in a school system now,
I'm gonna say education. But beyond maths and English,
True.
When we used to go to school, what them call civics.
Mm-hmm.
We teach how to be a patriot, how to be patriotic, and them continue national pride and.
But them not teachers again in high school.
Teach again, brother.
You break up.
I said them thing they cut out of school, general.
Mm-hmm.
Civics again, phonics again, and them something there at school. When the national anthem, I must say national anthem used to play in a school every day, and I stand at attention for that.
They will play it at school again.
Yeah, playing at school again, bro. You see how them see Flavor Williams come out, the Ministry of Education come out what they say. Mad woman, brother.
No, you're the far from the phone, man. What you say about Flavor Williams?
See how education come out what they say. I think you're a mad woman, man.
You sure?
I thought about you can cane here and plait here go to school and them something there, brother.
She said they can cane and plait here go to school?
I think. I feel like a mad woman. I tell you, go see school if you don't know school with them different from God, man, brother.
No, man, send that video to me, man. She mad somebody, man. We never know that.
Yeah, man. So now say everything I get, I'm gonna go to this American culture, like all uniforms so cut out, brother. So told me something about.
No, but if that is a form of discipline that's still doing, you know that?
You when people leave. As much as when me that do my thing, brother. You see big people, manners chipping same time. Me them on some periods them me can't be this and me can't be that to me. They run big people, brother. Manners chipping. They be saying no manners you. You on the bus with them, the conversation with them I have. Everything just different. Totally different from where it used to be. Sorry.
Why the sad still though, What's the meeting with Favour Williams, man? So she's a mad woman, Rasta.
Step on YouTube, I'm say them thing them not have them thing them very lean, so we can't search and find.
You are me.
Be them a forward. Just education and Ray, blah blah.
Yeah.
Why school being came to required have to be came. Like school.
Yeah, break up bad, man. Maybe I signal on them thing there. Alright, a good one. Me and the man attack on them thing there still, Yeah, that me sip on my phone on them thing there. Well, true. Your connection. I don't know what you say on them thing there. Them are cause the connection for this started.
It's a hard problem I developed about 4 or 5 years ago.
How comes?
So the truth, brother. They must say because me a born weed from a young age, you know.
So because you smoke weed, it give you a heart problem?
Mm-hmm.
At first, me I hear that. Me never hear that yet.
They must say, well, as me say, me never get it either, but them can't really find the car, so look like them do one, them call lifestyle.
Oh, the surf, yeah.
Yeah, so I say, look at the other thing they can pinpoint car. They must say, through my born with and then through me I play sports. So I say, my aunt did a work at a
It's in an overwork?
Yeah, it overwork. So the electrical signal no way.
You get weak.
Yeah, cause I forget you don't say you have to have a double beat and a one beat when you beat each have a double beat. So I'm gonna get one instead of a double, you understand?
But there's nothing what them can do for you. I mean, never at first remember I used a ganja give somebody heart problem. This is one new one, you understand?
Cause me I say, I know one the diagnosis when we get them can't really find the problem because I have no scar tissue, I no discoloration, I no have no black balls, I no have none of the normal
heart problem
things that associate with the heart problem. You understand?
So how you find out say you have heart problem?
I start beat weird now. Start feel weird.
Start palpitate.
And normally like if I sit down and I lean my back against now I lie down on my hand, I could feel my heart a beat. I lie down on my hand and I can't feel my heart beat. Can't feel it. It's faint.
Yeah.
So I go to a doctor on Monday, doctor say, I suffer heart attack. I never say heart attack or something. I just think of one instant it happen. I say heart attack or something way.
Over time.
It can prolong. You can have a heart attack like 3 days straight heart attack. It a build up to that. It a build up to your part it actually
kill you.
Fuck you up, you understand? Yeah. After that, say me have several minor heart attack over the past week. I've been in the hospital for about a month.
Yeah, you not smoke weed?
Me just smoke and me play ball on top of it, so my heart overwork and you understand?
So you stop smoke now one thing?
Mostly. I'll tell you mostly because sometimes the stress take you, brother, you gravitate to where
you still lick a spliff.
You gravitate to where you used to, but I don't want to stay. I like to fit me take one 2 or 3 pull out that and put it down until one next week or so after days. Then I burn a full spliff, I'm not blend it with nothing, I just spliff more while. So free up your brain.
Yeah.
You know if it is, but sometimes I tell them, when you come under pressure, you gravitate to where come naturally to you, But you operate off a reflex.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of this series, Vybz Kartel, Clinton Darling, Mikey Pelpa, and Christopher Mark Wimpy, the Dan from Waterford, the war between our 4 men with the various minions, and listening to the man who was a part of this clique over there, been to jail a few times, and he's happy that he's out of it and no longer in Waterford or St. Catherine or in Jamaica. He has migrated and happy to put the past behind him. Realize that everything that he has done in his life regarding criminality was wrong. And we do believe in redemption, and we just wish him all the best, and thanks for sharing his story. As you have listened, you heard some personal thing that he had shared with us. Hopefully youths who are listening realize that if you have sons, you can let them know that playing football and smoking, the Bob Marley, that can give you an adverse effect on your heart, and it can cause problem, as you heard, he has stated. As we said before, and we continue to say, you could have spent your time somewhere, but you decided to spend it with us at the Jamaica Young Police channel, and we appreciated you spending time with us here and continue to support the channel. As we have said before, if you can't be good, be careful, and nothing beat the truth. Fear is imaginary. Love yourself. If you love yourself, you love another person. You see yourself in another man, another woman. Remember, your rights, that's just like how you want someone to respect your human rights. Same way you must respect another person's human rights. If somebody don't violate yours, you don't violate theirs. And the only time you're supposed to violate somebody's human rights, unless you're doing it in self-defense. We don't support people killing other people because there's a disagreement. That has to do with ego, and people want to be dominant over the other. And that's just wrong. We're all equal. The only thing that makes us equal is life. And every person wants to enjoy life, liberty, and freedom. And freedom and liberty is the same. And the pursuit of happiness. That's all we want as human beings. We don't want no one supposed to be telling us what we are supposed to think and what we are supposed to do. And this is not about who is right, is what is right. Whether or not you want to believe it. And as we venture into 2025, hope things will get better. We have seen a change, today's January 21st. We have seen a change in the tide in the United States of America, where this president, whether you like him or not, Donald Trump says that there's two sexes, male and female. So all the madness that the Democrats were coming with out the window. So that is one of the main reasons why, that Donald Trump won the election, because of this confusion, this social engineering, and it started by a black man named Barack Obama. Yes, whether or not you want to like it or not. And I said before and I'll say again, Barack Obama will be going down as one of the worst presidents ever in the American experiment, because of what he has imparted and imposed on the American people. You can't, tell man, say a man can't be a woman. That is just madness. You understand? So all the fears that people have over the years, that's, we know that the world is going to be for a rough 4 years. You just might never know, but we know that right now it starts off with the, only two sexes, male and female. I remember Joe Biden, they wanted to put our leave now next gender, and I was trying to, bat up other countries that people have no gender in them passport and all kind of thing, and them want to change, want two man to be mother and father and all kind of madness. So at least we get some sanity restored, and we just have to just live and give God thanks. Whether you believe in a God or not, that's all up to you. We don't impose our belief on others. Belief is what you believe, so I can't tell you what to believe. But as I said before, and we say again, thanks for tuning in to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.